Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, we're starting off in a good position right now, looking quite good, and the markets are up at the moment. Let's get straight into our trades. Here is our live position. We go live up to 10 hours a day, every weekday, that is trading day, and I trade live, invest live. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real position. Real money in real time, and we are joined today and every day by investors and traders from around the world who share with you their honest, real trades. Let's get straight into it. And you can call into the show. We have cash giveaways. We have so many things. We're here to help everybody. So the first thing you need to do is click subscribe and ring the bell if you want to be part of it. Make sure that you've rung the bell. That way you'll be notified of breaking news as it happens throughout the day. We bring you all the news as it happens live up to 10 hours a day. Smash the like button as well. That'd be really great. And if you want to meet Mr. Mini-Me, here he is. Smash the like button. Let's see who's in the chat right now. Let me see who's with us. We're just starting the show. Who was first in? Mike is over there on Twitch, because we're not only here on YouTube, which is the home of our channel, but we're also on TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, multiple websites all around the world. So it's great to be here with you. Right, we're up at the moment. I'm always a bit fearful when we're up like this before 7:30 in the morning, which is where we are now, because we often then get a sell-off as we are in a very negative bear market at the moment. However, we've been selling off now for a week. I've been down like 15%. Still up from where I was 2 months ago. So we're getting some of that back now this morning. I haven't sold anything. I'm holding my position, and we've got some information. We're looking into the Roth IRAs and the traditional IRAs on Robinhood, and we are looking forward to bringing you some very exciting news. All right, so bear with me on that. We are working on something which I think you might find very, very interesting and very beneficial to all concerned. Okay? Anyway, more of that as we get it. That's just a little teaser. Okay, who was here first? Mike's here, also over there on Twitch. We've got Bill here, of course, keeping Twitch going as well. Good morning, Jack Sligger. We've got a guest here this morning. Good morning from Texas. I'm also from Texas. Welcome, Jack, says Mike. We have just started the show. Just started, Jack. My name is Martyn Lucas. I am the investor, but also known as the World Piano Man. And this is my TV studio. Let me share with you right now. Here we go. This is where I am now. I'm calling from Dallas, Texas, even though I'm from Cornwall in England. Let me give you a wave. How are you doing? If you become a member, just check something then for a minute. If you become a member live during our show, you get lots of benefits and perks. We can celebrate your birthday. We've got cash giveaways. You can call into the show. I can make a video on a stock for you. You can do a poll in the chat. Many, many perks and benefits I can do for you. If you remember, we are here to try to grow the best YouTube channels in the world. Every night on my other channel, we have a world premiere. Tonight, it is While My Guitar Gently Weeps from the Beatles. We're getting ready for our Christmas songs. Here is today's world premiere. After the show, in the closing bell, there it is. I hope you'll join us. And this is what it looks like. If you are interested, there he goes. That's in the studio tonight, live world premiere of While My Guitar Gently Weeps from the Beatles. That's tonight's premiere. I hope you'll join me in 7 hours. Give it a like, leave a comment below the video, and be part of my Lucasades army. All right, let's get straight back into the trades. Thank you for all of you who've already liked the video. What's your today's market expectation? Well, honestly, Alex, green or red day, I still think it's muted. I don't think I'm going to be massively up or massively down. I don't know, honestly. I think it's going to be pretty much as a wash. That's why I'm not buying and selling anything at the moment. And I think it all comes down to what Jerome Powell says on the 15th. We are going to cover it live. 13th is the CPI. 15th is the report. The FOMC, always a huge event on our show. We're going to cover it live. I think the whole markets are swinging on that. That's why we're up and down like flipping yo-yos at the moment. All right, okay. So, green 100% says SOA to AN. Well, that's good to know. I hope so. But anyway, for our guests who have just tuned in, going to do a special offer for you guys. If you become a member, there's the invitation to join in the chat for you right now. If you want to join, if you want our cash prize giveaway, just ask me and I'll give you the link for that as well. It's free to enter, free for all. Here's our Discord channel if you want to join me on Discord. There it is as well, and you can call into the show via Discord. And if you want to also follow me on Twitter, you can. Here is the link, and that's where I'm giving away double prizes this week as well, if you retweet the pinned post at the top. All right, there it is. Okay, let's get straight into it. Let's look at what's going up right now. What's hot, what's not. Quick sip of tea from Leah this morning. Thank you, Leah. Hey, I'm not wearing my glasses. Should I try my glasses this morning? I'm struggling with these progressive glasses. And I'm supposed to stick at it for a couple of weeks. Should I try again? I was really struggling yesterday. I was really struggling. Okay, I'm struggling to get the focus right on these glasses. I have to be honest. Anyway, there we go. We'll try the glasses again for a little bit this morning, see if we can make things work, but it's difficult. I have to say it's quite difficult. I think half the problem is I'm getting glare on the glasses. Anyway, in fact, it's just impossible. I'm getting so much glare. I don't know if I can even do it. Half the problem is the lights. Yeah, see if I shade that out, it's a lot heck of a lot better. I'm going to talk to the optician, I think, about it. Anyway, let's carry on. Let's have a look. Let's read these comments. We got, thanks, Leah, says Mike. Ed Nevius, good morning, says Ed. Hey, family, flu knocking me a bit today. I won't be too chatty. Everybody, have we got enough people in? We have, right? We got 17 people in. 17. Come on, everybody. You know what I'm going to ask you to do. Get well, Mark. Mark's got the flu. I want to copy and paste. Viral moment for Mark. Here we go. One of our members is about to turn gold. Any day now, your yellow badges will turn gold. And then in like 2 years, you go red. Anyway, get well, Mark. Copy and paste. Not just once, Mike. Come on, Mike. Don't be lazy. Get well, Mark. Copy and paste. There we go. Let's show some love to Mark. They released Brittany Griner from Russia. Prison breaking news. Prisoner swap. That's good news. Very good news for her and her family, of course. Feel better, mate. There you go. Here comes the loves. Hey, Mike. Thanks, Ed. Why have you been dishonest? Why have you been dishonest before? What's that mean? I've got some very confusing message there from Bill. No idea what that means. Anyway, get well, Mark. Everyone's coming in. Popcorn, get well. Come on every day, play the small violin for me. Yeah, yeah. Why not? Why not, mate? Anyway, it's great to have you here, and we just feel honoured if we can make you feel a bit better. You know what I mean? Right. Let's have a little look. The overall portfolio is up $700 at the moment. Very nice indeed. 43,000 just about. Right, Virgin Galactic is up 1% today. That's where that's coming from. Virgin Orbit is down. Flight on Wednesday. We'll be covering the live flight on Wednesday. Will you be here on Wednesday with us? Will you be here on Wednesday with us? Tesla is down 0.89. Tesla is down 0.89 today, but moving up. Let's see if we can do something there. Of course, more news about Elon Musk selling more shares of Tesla. Look. Remember, what drives the stock price is the buying and the selling. Elon Musk isn't selling Tesla because Tesla's rubbish. He's selling Tesla to raise money, and he's entitled to do that. He owns the company, right? To buy Twitter. I get that, right? So to me, it's just a buying opportunity because as he sells more Tesla, if he does, the price of Tesla will go down, not the company value going down, just the price. It presents opportunity. So for me, I'll buy more. I've got it already set for 160. Anyway, Rivian is up today 1%. Lucid today is up 0.5%. Arrival is up 3.4%. Delisting, I think, soon. Amazon up 1.25. That's good. I've got to buy at 85. Not quite done it. Apple is up 1.1. Robinhood up 0.32. McDonald's is flat right now. Coca-Cola is up 0.13. I'm up nearly 8% now on my Coke. Very, very happy with that. J&J is up 0.19. Google is up 0.84. Microsoft is up 0.5%. I'm up 5% on Microsoft now. Meta is up 1.86. I'm in the money on Meta again. That's great. That's great. SoFi up 1.63. I'm still down 24%, however. Let's have a little look. Let's read some of the comments. Welcome, Eric. Mark, you forgot your progressive glasses. Yeah, I'm trying them. I am, but, oh man, they're hard to get used to. They're hard to get used to. You've got to, it's really hard. It's really hard to get used to this. I'm not enjoying it at all. I think anyway, we'll keep going, shall we? Shall we keep going for a little bit? Anyway. Elon has set up beds at Twitter offices. Oh my God. It's becoming a Twitter hotel. That's exactly what he did before, didn't he? With Tesla. It will help him on his taxes. Elon is brilliant, in my opinion. Hotel Twitter, so says the queen of self-braiding. All right, excellent stuff. Right, we're coming up to 7:45 in the morning Central Time here. Let me bring you the breaking news as it happens. Joe Biden is speaking at the moment. What's going on here? Let's have a quick listen in. What's happening here?
I brought home dozens of Americans who were wrongfully detained or held hostage abroad, many of whom had been held since before I took office. And today we also remember the other Americans that are being held hostage and wrongfully detained in Russia or anywhere else in the world. Reuniting these Americans with their loved ones remains a priority for my administration, every person in my administration involved in this. We're going to continue to work to bring home every American who continues to endure such an injustice. We also want to prevent any more American families from suffering this pain.
So there we go. What we're seeing this morning is we are seeing Griner's release. It's a prisoner swap, which is great news, of course, for Griner's family, which is we're very, very pleased to see that, of course. Any right-minded person would be. So that's great news. An American citizens being sent home. Always good to see. Okay, it's a Britney swap. Okay, here we go. Let's moving on. We're up now 1.77, 748, 753. We broke through the $43,000 again. The S&P is going up 0.71. Virgin Galactic is up 1.53. Yeah, part of my problem is the light on top of my head. The spotlight in my eyes isn't helping. That isn't helping my situation at all. I've just realised that. Anyway, let's look at the app. You can see where we are now, up 1.77, $43,000. Looking pretty strong this morning. Good. Let's hope we have a green day. Who knows? Welcome everybody over there on TikTok this morning. Virgin Galactic is at 1.5. Virgin Orbit is still down, waiting for the flights to come. Tesla is pushing up, but it might drop today. If it does, we'll buy some more. Rivian is up at 1.15. Lucid is up 0.81. Arrival is up 3.48. If something goes low today, I might buy it in my Roth IRA. I've been talking to my CPA and buy it in the Roth IRA because Robinhood will give you 1%. So you can only add $7,000 a year. So if I'm going to buy $7,000 worth of Tesla today, it makes sense if I'm going to hold it long term to buy it in my Roth IRA. It makes absolute sense. So we're looking to do that today. If we get an all-time low, I'm not going to buy regardless, but there you go. Let's see what happens. Robinhood, McDonald's, it's flat. Coca-Cola, 0.13. Johnson, up 0.19. Google is up 0.68. Microsoft is up 0.54. Meta is up 1.62. SoFi is up 1.16. IonQ is up 2%. Walmart is up 0.55. Target is up 0.61. Tesco is up 0.48. That's good. We're 1% up now. Canoe is up 0.62. I'm out of On right now. Tilray Brands is up 3% today. There we go. That's much better. Let's see how that's looking right now. I'm up 10.82. Nowhere near the $5 it was a few days ago. Was it $4.80 or whatever it was? I needed $5, wasn't it? But anyway, $3.82. Looking good, looking better today. Enphase Energy is up 320. Bitcoin SV is up 0.86. Bitcoin is up 0.12. Ethereum is also up as well. There we go. The overall portfolio is up 1.63. If I get any more breaking news, I'll bring it to you. Let's see who's in the chat right now. It's time for our first commercial break. Skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay, welcome back. Just 10 seconds. Excuse me. Good morning, all. Good morning, good morning. I have a feeling about the market today. SO8AN, what is your feeling about the market today? Good news, says Mike. It is good news. Very good news indeed. We're very happy to see it. Right. The overall portfolio is holding 1.56. Let me go back to some breaking news. Biden will continue to work to bring home all Americans. Okay, Ukraine latest. EU to boost weapons fund. Kiev holds rates. Not sure exactly what that means. The S&P futures is up 0.58 this morning. Modi's MJP retail power in Gujarat in landslide poll victory. Mexico inflation slows more than forecast. That's good. Mexico inflation slows more than forecast on seasonal offers. That's good. Anything like that is good news. Okay, we're up 1.61, just falling back slightly. The S&P futures is up very slightly, 0.5%. Life is wonderful, it is, says Mike. I have a good feeling about the market, says SO8AN. All right. Let's see what people are searching for. SPCE and Tilray is still the most searched thing across my portfolio at the moment. That's what most people are looking for. And we're starting the show today at 5,730 subscribers. Let's see if we can get to 740 by the end of the show. We'll look back and see. All right, we'll look back and see. All right, 22 watching, 13 likes. That's not good enough, guys. You ready? Let's put a clock on the... let's put a clock up. Here we go. 1 minute. We need... what do we need? 20 likes in 1 minute. Let's go straight into it. Here comes Mr. Mini-Me. Smash the like button. We need 20 likes. And let's do it right now. Here we go. 13. Let me share with you on the screen. You can see it's gone to 14. We need 20 likes in 15, in 30 seconds. If the markets are going to go up today, we have to get the likes to go up. 15, 16. Boom, chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. Said a boom, chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. What the real Satoshi? Stand up, say please stand up. 15 likes, we need 20 likes in 17 seconds. Are we going to do it? Mr. Mini is on the screen saying smash the like button. Let's get the show going. We've got just 40 minutes to go before the bell goes. Let's get going. Here we go. Up to 17 likes. Nearly there. Not quite made it this morning. Not quite made it. 17. Not too bad. It did move up, but not quite there. All right. Let's go straight into our position again. 18 likes. Nearly there. Not too bad. Okay, the S&P 500 is up 0.62, moving up very slowly. Celine Dion diagnosed with incurable neurological disease. My heart will go on. We pray for... Oh, that's sad, isn't it? an incurable neurological disease. Oh, that's awful. Hate to hear anyone having a hard time. Makes life so much more difficult, doesn't it? Oh, man. We're sorry to hear that. Thanks for sharing that information, Queen. Virgin Orbit is down 2.34. Tesla is up. Sorry, down, but trying to push up. Is my 24/7 on your video playlist? Yes, it is, Bill. Yes, it is. Bill is basically running my playlist. He's enjoying watching my videos on a playlist. And yes, Bill, it does. My views are going up. What I'm trying to do is, so the more my views go up, the more YouTube suggests my videos. It's a very simple structure, really. What I'm trying to get, I've got a new target, and you're helping massively, by the way. We're trying to get to 10,000 views in 48 hours. We're at 6,975, 6,976. Can you see that there, look? 6,976. Keep watching. 6,976. It goes up every few seconds. We're trying to get to 10,000 views in 48 hours. It's just a record. I've never done that before. My record up to now was where it is now. 5,000 before was my when I had the Mr. Beast thing. But anyway, you'll see that go up. I think it refreshes every minute, so there's no point coming back to it. There you go. 6,977. Trying to get to 10,000. Anyway, so yes, Bill, your efforts do make a huge difference. So thank you very much indeed for that. What's better, all the long videos? It makes no difference. Probably the long videos is better because the shorts don't earn any money on YouTube Premium. So there's no ads, even though you don't see the ads because you've got YouTube Premium. I still earn some money, whereas I don't earn any money from watching shorts. Gets the views up, but it doesn't earn any money. So it's a balance, Bill. Do a bit of both. Do a bit of whatever's best for you, Bill. I just appreciate you helping. It's a massive help. Anyway, Lucid's up 0.93 today. I've got a much stronger position now. We are looking to buy some all-time lows into my Roth IRA. I am talking to my accountant, my CPA, and we're trying to get you some information. And as I get it, in fact, I'm just speaking to her now. Please text info so I can share on show on. I'm talking to my CPA right now about some major benefits. All right. Okay. Thank you, Bill. Arrival. Amazon up 1.13. Apple up 1.09. Robinhood up 1.19. McDonald's is flat right now. Coca-Cola is up 0.13. Johnson & Johnson's up 0.19. Google is up, but just falling back slightly. We had a nice start this morning from my tech stocks. Microsoft up 0.3. Meta holding up at 1.6. I'm actually in the money right now. I'm up 0.1, which is $7.23. Quick sip of tea. It's 5 to 8 here in the morning, Central Time. Let's check our news. Shell gave 1.2 billion boost to the UK unit to manage energy crisis. There we go. The breaking news this morning, of course, is that Brittany Griner is being released as a prisoner swap. Filing my Robinhood Roth with Reality Income. Eric B, we are looking at our Roth IRA this morning. I am talking to my CPA about posting a loss, so selling like Tesla for a loss and then buying it back on my Roth IRA. And Mike, apparently we're just checking this information. We're checking this. It doesn't apply as a wash sale. The 30-day rule doesn't apply. We think we're just checking it. Essentially, what we're saying, Mike, this is for Mike specifically, or anyone that's interested in actually harvesting a tax loss, which will reduce your tax, but at the same time, put your money away. So look, what you can do is I am down 24%. This is what we're confirming today with my CPA. If I sell my Tesla today and I'm down $2,732, that will wipe out my tax bill. I'll have no tax to pay, all right? Because it's a tax loss. Now, if you buy it back on the same account, then that's a wash sale. You can't post it as a loss. You can't do it within 30 days. But we are looking to see if you can do it on the other account. So my other account, look, is the Roth IRA. So if I sell Tesla right now for a loss, post it on as a loss, buy it right back immediately in my other account, I can still post it as a loss, but it will be in my Roth IRA. So Robinhood will give me 1%. How about that? So you don't actually lose money. You only lose money on paper, and you actually get a contribution from Robinhood. This could be one of the best bits of information I've ever given you on the show. Anyway, we're looking to confirm that is allowed and that's within the rules, because it sounds brilliant, doesn't it? Anyway, just Googled it. Wash sale rule applies to all accounts. You can't use an IRA to get around it. Well, apparently, I'm talking to my CPA who believes you can. So 22, I know it sounds pretty incredible, right? Just Googled it, says 22. Wash sale rule applies to all accounts. You can't use an IRA to get around it. Well, we are confirming that. You might be right. She told me that was possible, and then she's just confirming it, because obviously it's a huge statement to make, and I would do it straight away. I would sell Tesla for a loss, post a loss, then buy it back straight away, put it in my Roth IRA. Robinhood's going to give me 1%. Everyone's a winner. Anyway, we shall see. We shall see if that pans out. Lucid is up 0.83. This is my position now. Look, you can see where we are right now. We are up today 1.55, $657 at the moment. Let's get some perspective. Over the week, let's go through it. Over the week, we're still down 9.82. Massive loss. Over the month, we are down 1.82. Over 3 months, we are down, but over 2 months, we are up. See, it's starting to climb up. Have we hit bottom? Was the bottom of the market on this day here, November the 8th, November the 9th, a month ago? Was that the bottom? We'll know that in a few months' time. No one knows it beforehand. Project Freedom says no, but you can add to your position. Bring your percentage down real low. Wait until it goes up. Cash out 1 penny more. Then take it over there to the next account. Wait for it to drop and buy back in. You can't transfer it. You can't transfer it. What I can do is just buy straight today in my Roth IRA. Project Freedom saying no, but let me just put it on the screen so everyone can see this. No, but you can add to your position. Bring your percentage down real low. Wait until it goes up. Cash out 1 penny more. Then take it over there to the next account. Wait for it to drop and buy back in. Well, that's just normal buying and selling. That's got nothing to do with tax losses or anything else, has it? I don't think. Anyway, we are confirming that information for you. There we go. Actually, I'm looking at the information now. My accountant just sent me some information. Do not open till 9 usually. Will you be on then? Yes. Yes, I'm on air now till 10ish. Okay, so she's checking it right now. She needs to check that ruling. IRS revenue ruling 2008-5 prevents you from doing what you're suggesting. That's it. We're looking into it. We're making sure that it's all as it is. There's no point doing it if it's not, right? Queen, I've already got. Didn't I already have manager access on your account? I'll give it to you now in the chat. There you go, Queen. Just corresponding to Queen, she wants me to be a manager on her YouTube channel so I can help and promote her. Anyway, I have 3 accounts and I do it all the time. I'm moving it around continuously. That's the reason I got 10,036 shares at $4.75 a share of Virgin Galactic. I don't understand what you mean. Moving it around. I'm sorry. I'd like to understand what you're saying, but I'm not really sure I understand what you're saying. You can't just transfer it. You can buy and sell it into different accounts, but the idea is a Roth IRA. You're supposed to leave it there for 5 years. You're not just supposed to like take it in and out. It kind of defeats the object. I'm not really sure what you're saying, Project Freedom. I have to be honest. If you wanted to call in, you need to be a member of our channel, but you can call in via Discord and you can actually be on the show. But anyway, I'll give you my Discord, of course, but you need to be a YouTube member. If you want to call in and contribute like that and be part of it, then we need to verify your account and so on. That's another reason why we do YouTube memberships, by the way. So we don't have bots, scammers and people like that. We have real, verified, credible people. That's why, another reason why we do the membership. That's why it's only a couple of bucks a month for a bronze member. Anyway, there you go. It's 8 o'clock. We've got some news here. The bond debate shapes up ahead of 2023. US 10-year yield is up 0.0578. Commodities today. Information here coming out. Keystone Pipeline shut. There's a tanker jam. Oil Cape X. All sorts going on down there. Anyway, let's go back to the main portfolio. We'll see where we are right now. We are up 1.58. It's heading up again. That's looking pretty good. We are just gone 8 o'clock here on Central Time, so it's time to run a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds. Here we go. Okay, we're back with you once again. Thank you for sticking with us. And let's see where we are right now. Up 1.6. Stephen Lewandowski. How are you, Stephen? Wonderful to have you here. Queen's got the information there. Brilliant. Queen, you got it? Great. So, 1.6. Let's see what's moving. We've got news this morning. I'm beating the 30-day rule of buying and selling. So you are beating the 30-day rule. Yeah, but we're talking about I can buy and sell as much as I want. I don't mind. I'm always a pattern day trader. That is not an issue. If you have over $25,000 in your account, you can buy in and sell in as much as you want. That's no issue. I can buy and sell, whatever. But remember, lowering your averages is only a representation. It's only a guide. If you lower your averages by buying, that's a real thing. If you lower your averages, but as soon as you start selling stocks, then it doesn't reflect in the average. It only reflects in the buying, not when you sell anything. So it doesn't update. So you can sell everything, start again, and go, look, I'm not down anymore when you buy back in again, but you are still down. It just doesn't show on your average that you're down. So you don't want to mislead yourself and think you're actually in a better position than you are. You have lost money. What we're talking about is posting losses from a tax point of view in one account and moving it to another. So anyway, ruling 2008-5, tell her to check it and it'll save you a fee if you're asking your accountant. It's a rule specifically closing the loophole you're describing. Okay, let me check. Let me send her that message. Thank you for that. One of my viewers said, check the ruling 2008. I'm sending that information to my accountant now. 2008-5. Apparently, this closes the loophole. Okay, let me send that. One of my viewers said, check the ruling 2008-5. Good morning from Rockville, Maryland. There we go. What's up, Maryland? Hello to Dallas, Texas from Houston. Hello, Houston. I scalp all the time. Have no money. You're in the UK, though, right? Says 22. Yes, church. But that is a US ruling. So we're just finding this out. For those of you just tuned in, what we are finding out this morning, I was talking to my CPA last night. Now I have these extra accounts, right? And she said they are regarded as separate accounts, completely separate. So I said, I was being very creative. I said, hang on a minute. Why don't I sell my Tesla and on paper lose $2,700 and then buy it back exactly at the same time, if not a little bit less, even better, in my Roth IRA. Then I post a loss on my brokerage account, so my tax gets wiped out, pay no tax. I like that. And then buy it in my Roth IRA, because it's gone down, right? Buy it back straight away. And then Robinhood will give me 1%, which is a gift from Robinhood. Hold it. And a Roth IRA, you don't pay tax on your gains. Wouldn't that be great? And she said, that's very creative. And I went, it is, isn't it? Call me the greatest investor in the world. And she said, let me check it. And she said, I think that's okay. I think you can do that. So she is double checking now. And she's going to come back and let me know. And I've just sent her, because 22 has just sent me the what he's regarding as the close of the loophole. And we're going to see if you can or can't do that. Anyway. Bottom line, your total is best indicator and how much taxes you owe. Exactly. Yes, don't go off your averages all the time. Everyone gets a bit obsessed with lowering their averages. And that's great as long as you're only buying. If you just keep buying, yes, your average is coming down and it's a real thing. But if you sell anything, your average doesn't change. So it's worth noting that, it doesn't sell and then adjust the average. It just stays the same. It only does it when you buy. Anyway, Cornwall's cold today, says Andrew Grady. Like your soul, says Neptunian. I just went H&R block to review Tuesday. What does that mean? What does that mean? Isn't Carvana? Yes, Carvana is going bankrupt. Carvana is going bankrupt. Isn't there a max deposit per year? Yes, 7,000. I can do 7,000 on my IRA. And we've just confirmed this that because Robinhood are going to give you 1%. It's a one-off match. Someone said, is that 1% every year? No. If I put in $100, they give me $1. It's like being employed without me being employed. It's a fantastic opportunity. They will give me 1%. Okay, done. And then I hold it. And with a Roth IRA, you don't pay taxes on your gains. That's the point of it. Right? And I'm allowed to put 7,000, which means 3.5 in a traditional and 3.5 in the Roth. Or my accountant said, if you're going to hold it long term, put it all in the Roth. Now, see, look, Church, I knew Church was going to say that, because Church keeps saying it doesn't matter about this 1% making $1. He's mentioned that in many occasions. Oh, I'm not bothered about $1. I am. Remember the story, how I paid my house off? I think you're wrong there. I don't think you're wrong, Church. I know you're wrong. What is wrong about getting 1% free money? Why on earth is that wrong? When did ever free money, be wrong? I don't understand you, Church. Honestly, my mum said to me, take care of the pennies, the pounds will look after themselves. And it's right. Why are you always dismissing small gains? Why are you always dismissing small profits? That's how I bought my house. I don't understand why you say that. Anyway, at the end of the day, $1 per 100. Right? 1,000 is $10. 10,000 is $100. Well, I've got nearly $10,000 worth of Tesla. So if I sell all my Tesla today, post a loss, I won't pay any taxes. This is what the theory is. We haven't confirmed it yet. I will then buy it into my Roth IRA. I've saved my taxes, so I've saved because I've made a loss on paper. And then I've got $100 free, so I've got basically a half a share of Tesla for free from Robinhood. Well, I think that's pretty good. I'm sorry you don't think so. And then I just hold it. So, anyway, let's have a little look. Waste of time. Can't believe he's saying that. How do you know Carvana is going bankrupt? Because it's been well reported. That's why I've been reading the information. They have $2 billion in inventory and real estate. Yes, they make profits when they sell their cars. If they buy a car for 10,000, they sell it for 11,000. They make a profit. Correct. However, their running costs are far exceeding their profits. So their gross margins are their profits. Their net profit is disastrous. They're making no money. They're losing money over and over again. They're going bankrupt. Anyway, the whole market has been 80% down. Yes, it has, but Carvana is going bankrupt. I want $1, says Mike. Seriously, you are too old now to do that. You have 10 years, and at your age, after 57 and a half, it's not worth the time. Oh my gosh. You're thinking about the dollar too much. Time matters. I don't agree, Church. I think you're focusing on the bigger picture, and you're not ever getting there because you're not focusing on what's important right now. Every penny counts. That's what they said about Lucid going bankrupt. Not right. No, Lucid isn't going bankrupt. Nor is Rivian, by the way. Hello, new to the show, something is better than nothing. Yeah, James Stodler. We've got a guest here just turned up. Welcome, James Stodler. Would everybody please welcome James Stodler into the show? My name is Martyn Lucas from Dallas, Texas. Here's my studio. I'm the world piano man. I do live music every night. We got a world premiere tonight of the Beatles. It is While My Guitar Gently Weeps. Let me give you a wave. All right, welcome. Would everybody please put their countries in and welcome James Stodler to the show. I'll be right back after a 10-second commercial break. Here we go. Some of you see it, some of you don't. Here we go. Okay, we are back. Let's welcome James Stodler into the show. I'm actually originally from Cornwall, United Kingdom. That's where my home is, but my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. I pick up all the change I see on the pavement. Someone lost, no matter if it's a penny. I've always done, Mike, I do the same thing. I have always done the same thing. There are 7% pre-market Kavana. They're up 7% pre-market. I will remind you when this goes up. You might well do so, but I'm not buying shares in it. Good luck, Mohammed. I wish you all the best. I pick up pennies. Yeah, but you just said $1's not worth the bother. Make your mind up, church. Tax review Tuesday. Good news, only 19% taxed overall. There you go. That's what you're talking about, Stephen. Congratulations, mate. Robinhood is basically just paying customers a 1% one-off commission to hold their investments with them. They've obviously calculated that as a cheaper marketing expense than marketing it in other ways. I agree, but that suits me. I am very, very happy to hold $7,000 a year, which is basically what I can put in per year into my Roth. I'm earning now money on YouTube every month, and I'm doing a few gigs, and I'm putting all my money I earn on YouTube and all the money I put on gigs into the stock market. That's why you'll see my portfolio balance go up, because now I'm earning money on YouTube. I wasn't for the first 10 months. I'm putting everything I earn back into my portfolio, right? So my balance is going to go up as well as my losses and gains, all right? So I'm happy to put $7,000 a year, get 1% for free, and hold it there. Makes absolute sense to me. Same, I pick up change. 1% match is nonsense. Of course it isn't nonsense. What? You want them to act irresponsibly and go, right, we'll give you 20% and then we'll bankrupt Robinhood. It's 1% you wouldn't get with anyone else. No one else is giving you 1%, are they? The only time you get a match is if you are employed. Like my wife's employed. She has a 401k, right? So she gets a match from her employer. They match certain amount. And it's only a few percent, but it's free money. Anyone knows it's free money. They give me 1%. Well, why would I not take it? I mean, it's obvious. You can get more in another broker. Maybe you can. Maybe you can. But I don't know about any other brokers. I'm just saying. Thank you from Montreal. Welcome to you. Let's go back to our main portfolio. We're coming up to 10 minutes before the bell goes. JP Morgan self-invest account are paying up to $625 bonus for transferring your account. Very nice indeed. You can pick up pennies every day the rest of your life, and it still will take time to buy a house. It's like Graham Steppen saying, buying a coffee will make you broke. This is on your side with the coffee. Some of us can't live off 1% as well. Keep that in mind. I can't live off 1%. I'm just saying it's 1% more than I had before. Hello, ladies and gents. Hello, Malk. Inflation is 7%, and you're holding your money for. I'm not. Whoa. Church of Logic, I am not holding my money. I'm buying Tesla, which I expect to be up 100% in 5 years. So I'm buying stocks in my Roth IRA. I'm earning on the stock plus the 1%. And if I put cash in the Roth IRA, they're paying me 3.65 interest plus 1%. So I'm not holding my money for 1%. What are you saying that for? That doesn't make any sense. Just opening a savings account, jobs match more than 1%. Just open the savings accounts, jobs match more than 1%. Up to 6, says Mike. I have 6%. My old job matched 6%. Brilliant. Okay, well I haven't got a job. No one's going to pay me 6%. This isn't for people with a job. You've got a job, you get 6%. That's great. This is for people like me, independent contractors on YouTube who don't have employers. Okay, good. Try to keep to keep doing it. That I will pay. Hey there, I'm waiting for the opening bell. ETORO, yes, 10 minutes ago. Hello, traders, says Zach. Good morning, Zach. Zach the other day benefited from our show for $114. We sent Zach $114 the other day. It was one of our it was one of our competitions. No, it wasn't. It was a fundraiser we did for Zach the other day. We had a guest on the show, and we raised one of our members. We do it for all our silver members. Church of. In fact, let me explain that. By the way, silver members can have a fundraiser once a year. We've raised over $1 million on my previous channel, Martyn Lucas, and now over here on the Day Trader, right? On the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel, right? The reason why Zach got another fundraiser was Rob Brennan donated it. Rob Brennan says, I'm going to go to silver and I'm going to give my fundraiser to Zach. So I promised Zach we would do another fundraiser. So we did. That was another one we did. And that was a couple of days ago. We raised him $114 and it was sent straight away. So there you go. I see now, but how is that different from having a regular account? You do know at your age you have a limit on what you can invest. Yes, I do. You're doing the right thing, Martin. Thank you, Mike. Church, you still get the interest you get on the investments, etc. It's just 1% bonus for doing it in their account. I know, this is what church doesn't seem to get. Look, my money is in my portfolio right now. Right? In my regular brokerage account, right? My shares of VU are right now earning money, going up or down. No extra 1%. Look, I've got $18,000 there. Can someone tell me what $18,000 is? Oh, it's about $200. Yeah, it's 180 bucks. 180 bucks there. If I sold my VU right now and bought it into the Roth IRA, Robinhood would give me $180 for free. I would still have my shares of VU, and they're still going to go up in price. I'm still going to make loads of money. Yeah, maybe I'm missing the point. Is he moving his assets over? Okay. For the benefit of anyone who hasn't quite got this, because we've got a bit of time. This is what we're looking at doing. Everyone pay attention. Do I have everyone's attention? Ready? I'm trying to tell you, and we're verifying it with my CPA, my accountant, how you can save money, how the big boys play the stock market, how big companies do it. People that don't, like Warren Buffett, who never pay any taxes, who's a gazillionaire. Listen, this is what we're looking at doing. Robinhood, yeah, church says LOL. Robinhood have now given me 3 accounts. My main brokerage account, where my money goes up or down. My dividends go up or down. I've now got 2 more accounts, a traditional Roth and a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. I can put $7,000 in these 2 combined every year. January it starts again, so I could do another $7,000. 3.5 in each or $7,000 in both. Right? That's it. You can't transfer from there to there. What I can do in these accounts, I could have my brokerage as a day trading account. Just day trading. In and out, quick as you like. I could, if I wanted to. My other accounts, Roth IRAs, they pay you bonuses if you keep it a long time, right? So basically what I can do is I can go into one of my stocks right now. Let's say Tesla, for example. Tesla is down 24%. I've lost $3,000, $2,701. I sell my Tesla right now, and I post a loss. I've lost 24%. That is a loss. Now, we haven't confirmed it yet, and 22 saying you can't do this. Doesn't matter whether you can do this part or not. This is an addition. Assuming that my CPA is right, and we sell this now, I lose $2,700. I then go into my Roth IRA. There it is, and I buy Tesla at the same price. I buy it at the same price. I now have I have the same amount of money in Tesla as before. I've just bought $7,000 worth. I get 1% for free from Robinhood for doing nothing. The share price of Tesla in time goes up. That's my shares. I still make that money, but I got a gift from Tesla. Sorry, from Robinhood, a 1% gift. What we're talking about and what we're debating, which may or may not be true, we're discussing this now, is does it get around the wash sale rule? My CPA says there's a way to do it. Yes, but we're confirming it. 22 is saying no, you can't do it. I can still do what I just did, but I just can't post a loss. Doesn't matter. I don't have to post a loss. I can still buy, I can still sell my Tesla being down, and I can buy into my Roth. I can do that. I can do that and get 1% right now for free. I can do that right now. Right? The debate is whether I can get a tax loss or not. 22 is saying no, you can't get the tax loss. My CPA is saying you can, and we are discussing it and we're verifying it. And I keep checking my phone to see if I've got that information. As of yet, no, she's still talking to the broker. If I can't, however, post a loss, I could wait 30 days to do it. If I think Tesla's going to be down for 30 days, I could wait for 30 days. Then I can post a loss. Or I could forget about the loss because I'm not paying tax much this year because I've not sold anything anyway. I'm not making any money this year. I could go, right, I'm going to buy it anyway. The point is I get a free 1%. I'm just now buying $7,000 a year in my Roth as opposed to my brokerage account. And bit by bit, I could have my brokerage account as my day trading account and my Roth as my long-term saving. Martyn, I get it now. There you go. That's why this is the best YouTube channel in the world. We're here to help people. All right, let me have a look. Let me read the comments. We've got 3 minutes to go. We got some new guests in here that I was ignoring. Hamish, been here a long time since I joined the stream. Hi, Hamish, how are you? You can't do it, Martyn. I'm telling you, LOL, it's classed as a wash sell and a 30-day rule applies if you sell in your personal account and then buy in an IRA. Okay, that's what you believe, and I understand that, but that's what we're clarifying with my CPA. I know that's what you believe, and that's fine. I respect that. I know what a Roth IRA is after tax contribution. I know that Roth IRA is after tax contribution. Don't confuse me, says Church. There's no loophole. Don't you think the IRS would plug it well? We're looking at it now. I want to hear what he's going to do. So, Church, you listened in? Yes, it was $115. We are buying 60 children, exercise books, and pencils and pens next term. I will share with you the videos and photos. Thank you. So when were you last in and out quick as you like? Correct, says Church. You get the 1%, obviously, but there's no way you get around the wash sale. Yes, I still get the 1%, so it's still worth selling and buying back, whether I get the wash sale or not. It's still worth it, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it live on the show. Anyway, 1 minute to go. You keep in your day trading account. Of course I will. I thought you just said you were buying 60. Envious. Good luck, everyone. I'm listening to you correctly from my experience from Roth. I'm going to say no, that my vote on that. So I'm going to say no. Right, we'll find out soon. I'm going to talk directly to a registered financial advisor, a registered CPA. I almost thought you forgot about the bell. No, never forget about the bell. What are you on about? Here we go. Here we go. Now, normally when we get bounces up like this, we get everything sell off. Do you have any relatives? Apparently you can use theirs. Yeah, I'd rather not go down that route. I don't want to complicate life just to save money. I just want to do everything straight on my account. I'm not going to ask Leah, can Leah start buying my shares off me and transferring it to... that gets scammy. And look, all I'm talking about is following the rules that the government writ out wrote out for me to follow. We're not trying to scam anything. I don't want to try and get round anything. Just want to do what's right, okay? Anyway, okay. Let's have a look. The overall portfolio at the moment is holding up. We're up 1.31. How long will it hold? There's my overall position. And we're up over 2 months now. So did we hit bottom? Managed to get a few more a few shares. Roth is the way to go, but at a certain age, over time, it might not be worth it. You can open both Roth accounts for your kids. Yeah. Well, me and Leah haven't got any kids, so we're not going to start making kids just so we can open up accounts. Anyway, the S&P 500 is going up at the moment. Virgin Galactic taking a dive again. Here we go. Everyone's scalp trading it again. Let's see where we go. We're still green at the moment. Virgin Orbit. Tesla pushing up. I'm checking my communication from my accountant all the time. Nothing yet. Wish my parents did that for me. Tesla, it's going up nicely. We got news today that Elon Musk, of course, is going to sell some more shares. And that just gives me an opportunity to buy more. Let me check the breaking news. Wedbush slashes Carvana. These developments indicate, Carvana could be going bankrupt. That's what they're saying. Anyway, Rivian's in the red now. Lucid's going down. My overall portfolio is still up 0.31. Look, it's still up 0.41. It's only just holding up. Lucid, Arrival, Amazon, Apple. A lot of things are doing well. Robinhood going down. McDonald's up 0.36. Coca-Cola is flat right now. J&J, I'm up 5.25% now. Virgin Galactic is always diving. Google is going up 0.66. That's good. I'm still down 4%. Microsoft is up. Meta is on fire today. I take that back, actually. I don't like saying stuff like that. It's on fire. It's not on fire. It's just up 1.87. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok this morning. Thanks to all of you. So, Meta is up 1.9. SoFi is up SoFi is dropping now. We're still up. Only up. We're just about to go red. Let me show you. We're 0.15. It's about to go red. When we get markets that open up like this, it often goes red. When it's red, it often goes green. That's how it kind of works. Anyway, we'll see. Are we going to get new lows today? My portfolios, I've injected some more money in from my YouTube and my gigs that I do. Now tonight, if anyone's new to this channel, would like to be a member, we've got some membership perks and bonuses and benefits by being a member. There it is in the chat. If you want to be a member of our channel, you can. Tonight's world premiere from my music channel. Tonight we're doing the Beatles. Hopefully you'll join me. We've got Christmas songs starting soon. We're just getting you into the swing and the routine of the closing bell. 15 minutes after the closing bell, we have a world premiere. So there is the premiere in the chat right now. There it is. And we're also doing cash giveaways tomorrow. It's Friday, of course. And if you've retweeted my pinned post at the top of Twitter, excuse me, I got itchy nose this morning. If you've retweeted my pinned post at the top of Twitter, you will have a chance to win double prizes. All right, here is the Twitter channel. It's right at the top, and I can tell you exactly who has retweeted. It's right at the top of the channel. There it is. Let's see. We've got 13 retweets. So you guys have... in fact, it's 12 because one of them's me. There you go. Bill, Bootsy. These are all the people that have retweeted. So they've all got a chance to win double prizes tomorrow in the cash prize draw. The post is right at the top. You can see it right there. Very, very easy. And you can go and retweet it yourself at the top. All right? Okay. Good stuff. Let's get back to our main position. And we are now dropping off again today. 41.9. It's going down again. What's dropping the most? Obviously, we got really bad news. Well, bad news. Tesla, as we've got rumors now of Elon Musk going to sell more Tesla again. Again, the company is still doing a good job. He's just selling the shares. I don't have a major problem with that. I don't like him doing it because it drives the stock price down. But at the same time, it presents me the opportunity to buy more. Now, Virgin Galactic, I've got a buy. Oh, thank you. That's done now. Thank you, Leah. Mike, I just got a cup of coffee from Leah. Here we go. Virgin Galactic, I'd love to buy it at 4. My all-time low, I'd buy more at 4. And what I might do, actually, I might buy that in my Roth. Start adding to my Roth if it goes to 4. Look at that, 449. It's getting close. That would make sense, actually, to buy it in my Roth. Then I get 1% for free. 449. Shall I buy a share of Virgin Galactic now at 449? Shall I do that? The lowest I've paid is 414. So it's not there yet. It's not there. I bought 100 shares at 414. It's not there yet. If it goes below 414, heading towards that 4, then I can buy some into my Roth IRA and get 1% free from Robinhood. So I like that idea. Anyway, there you go. The overall portfolio is down. VU is down. We've got day trader of the day, of course, today as well. We've got our cash giveaway tomorrow. If you want to be in the draw, let me know, and you can. I can give you the link for it. If you want to double your prizes, go and retweet the post on Twitter, and you can get a double prize. How many have come through the show so far? 84 people come through the show. Let's see if we've gained any more subscribers today. Let's have a quick look. 5730. None today so far. We started at 5730, so exactly the same at the minute. Let's see if we can get any more today. 35 watching, 28 likes. Brilliant. If you've just tuned in, please subscribe and ring the bell and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it enormously if you could do that. Virgin Orbit is going up again. We've got the flights on Wednesday. We're going to cover it. We're also going to cover the Jerome Powell speech, FOMC. We're also going to cover the CPI on the 13th at 7:30 in the morning. We're going to cover all of that. Stephen Lewandowski, back on Twitter. Hi, everyone. Thanks, Leah. Have you just retweeted my post? Congratulations if you have. You will be in double cash prizes if you win on Friday. Tesla's going down again. Let me have a quick look over there on Twitch. Wow, we've got 14 subscribers now. Right then, brilliant. Over there on Twitch, another cash prize giveaway we do every first Friday of the month. If you are a subscriber on Twitch, and it's completely free to be a subscriber on Twitch using Amazon Prime Gaming, just turn it on and associate it. You will be in our free prize draw every first Friday of the month. We give away the money I make on subscribers. So there you go. Let me give you the Twitch right now. We're trying to get 75 people in Twitch on an average, so I can become a partner on Twitch. Please do not abandon YouTube for it. Keep it open as a separate tab. We've got 14 subscribers now. Thank you very much indeed. Just checked it. There you go. Awesome. Rivian going down. I'm out of the money for the first time, I think, since I've owned this. I've got a buy at 26. So I am looking. It makes sense to me to start buying on my Roth IRA. Anyway, I'm looking to do that. If any buys go through today on my brokerage account to lower my averages, I will then buy the equivalent on the Roth. But it has to go to my all-time lows. No point just buying willy-nilly all over the place just to get 1%. That's a bit silly, right? Anyway, 0.77, we're starting to move up again. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic. It's trying to come back up again. It got as low as 450. Tesla going back down again. Got a buy at 160. Rivian's back in the green. Lucid's pushing up. I've got buys at $8. Arrival. Let's jump to the other end and see what Tilray's doing. Tilray down. Look at that, 3.64. I'm only up 3.7%. I was up 30%. I lost $1,800 there. If I'd sold that, imagine that. 22 made a very good point the other day. Would it make more sense to make lots of 5% over and over again than to wait for 100%? And he's right, of course, but that's very easy in hindsight. In reality, that might not happen. That might not work out. We can say that would have worked out for me going backwards, but long term might be better for me to hold my position. And statistically, over time, it is better to hold your position. That's a statistical fact. So do it 50-50, one to play, one in Roth. I agree. I'm right with you there, Bill. If my all-time lows get triggered today and something buys, I will then go and buy another one in the Roth because I want to load it up. I want it to be up to $7,000. It makes absolute sense to me. Every year, put $7,000 away in my Roth. That's what I want, right? My long-term investments. I invest more than $7,000 a year, so fill up that and then do the day trading account with everything else. So I get 1% plus I get the growth. Makes perfect sense, doesn't it? $0.95 down at the moment. $400 down. The way to look at it, say Tesla, just sell 20% of it when you're up 5%. Buy 20% back when it drops 5%. Keep your core 80% of shares as a long term. It's a good strategy. That's a good strategy. Let me put that on the screen. I'll read it out again. This is what 22 does. He says the way to look at it is say Tesla. Sell 20% of it when you're up 5%. So you've made 5%, sell 20% of it. Buy 20% back when it drops 5%. Keep your 80% of your shares as long term. If you do that though, 22, do you lot sell though? Do you make sure that you sell the correct lots, or do you just sell it and take it as an average? You might be selling stocks that are actually out of the money. Would you do that? So I need to ask that. If you're doing that, are you actually lot selling, or are you just taking the average and going, okay, I've sold ones at a loss. It's first in five. Yes, it's first in five. FIFO, yes. First in, first out. Correct. Are you saying 5% overall? But the average is what counts for your pocket. So are you saying then, if I'm 5% up overall, not 5% up on individual stocks? That's what you're saying, right? Yes, okay. Makes sense. Okay. But remember though, 22, if you're doing that and you're 5% up overall, That's an average. You're up 5%. Oh, hang on. No. If you're up 5%, you still might be selling stocks that are down. If you're just selling and you're not regarding the FIFO rule, you're not concerned about selling the lots or which ones, you could still be down on 5% because the average, I'm thinking, aren't you? Anyway, VIX is up again to market profit. Let's go back to market profit. Good morning, family. Finally a green day. For who? Out. Let's go. Or if you're young, get a job and a good person. VIX is up again. Yes, sir, church. Bill, only 15% of private companies still offer pensions in America. Wow. Yes, but it doesn't matter for your balance. Okay. See? That's what I'm saying. You would still have to sell your lots. That's what I'm saying. I have made this mistake in the past. My overall says I'm up 5%. I go, right, I'm up 5%. Sell some. And then I've not done the lots. I've not done the lot allocation. I've just said, okay, I've sold some. I'm up. You haven't. The ones you've just sold were at a loss. Just because your overall was up, you still lost. See? I did too. Mike's made the same mistake. Very, very important. 22. So what you're saying there, not 100%. 100%. If you're up 30, 40%, there's no issue. So the golden rule is sell when you're 30% up, 40% up. Then you're probably all right. Anyway, the point is what you're growing. The point is what is growing your overall balance. Don't obsess over what you paid for individual shares. It balances out. I agree with that. And a professional investor, who has clients, many clients, Musanella, has told me the same thing. He said, don't be too concerned about that. It all balances out over the whole thing. 22, I agree with that. So it's worth thinking about. So maybe if you sell when you're 10 or 20% up would be not a bad idea. Anyway, space test flight announcements. Still no information, Alex. I'm on the wires. I'm receiving all the information. I'm delving into it. Nothing yet, I'm afraid, Alex. Still waiting for the information. On E-Trade, you can sell individual lots that are listed. On E-Trade, you can. On Robinhood, I'm bringing that in, but right now you have to email them. It's very annoying. It doesn't matter if you're holding the others, does it? You're in cheaper on those. Yes, correct. I absolutely agree with that, 22. Overall, I get what you're saying. Absolutely makes sense. Absolutely makes sense what you're saying. Anyway, the overall portfolio is coming back. We're getting a rebound. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic is coming back up. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Lucid. Arrival. We're looking to buy some all-time lows. Oh, Amazon's bouncing up quick. Trying to buy at 85. Trying to buy at 130 on Apple. Trying to buy at 8 on Robinhood. McDonald's is having a good day, up 11.5%. Coke's having a good day. I'm nearly green again now after the morning crash. Google, Microsoft, Meta's doing well. I'm still down. I was up like 4% at one point. SoFi is returning. We're getting a nice bounce on stuff. Let me check my CPA, see if I've got that information yet. I haven't. Not yet. Still checking it. I sent her a text from 22 to check that information. IonQ. We want it from a registered financial advisor because her advice is then, it's official, if you like. She has to give correct information. Target, Tesco, up. I'm up now, 1.36. There you go. Now there's an example. Tesco. Do I sell Tesco now? I'm up 1.36. Get my money out. Dividends, I think. Did the dividends pay? Oh, yeah, the dividends came in December the 2nd. $62. I earned $62 from, look at that, $62. I got free money from Tesco's. It's not bad, is it? You might go, what, on $4,000? Church is going to go, what, on $4,000? James Stodler, I believe 100% that Virgin Galactic is a $100 stock. I've worked for Sir Richard Branson in the Virgin experiences. I know where it's going. I've been to Virgin Orbit space station and learned about Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit, very, very different, but they share some of the technology and the branding, of course. Virgin Galactic next year is going to go up to, it's going to in January, February, it's going to pass $10 very, very quickly. I believe that they've got plenty of cash for the next year and a half. Richard Branson has made it his legacy. It's not going to fail. I'm fully in with this. It's the biggest part of my portfolio. It's only showing 10% right now because it's down 7%. It was like 20% of my portfolio. So anyway, there you go. Why so slow? Because people are impatient with rocket companies. They want the news every 5 minutes. They're building rockets. Everything is good. I've got no issues with it at all. Neptunian, we got time with IRA, but if I'm 50, not touching it. With my money they have at their age, no need to invest. Much they have enough to just play the market or collect interest. Why are you concerned how much Robinhood makes? As it like it spoils it for you, church. Hang on a minute. This is what I don't understand. If you are investing and you are using your brokerage, and your brokerage is Robinhood, I want Robinhood to do well because I have shares in Robinhood. I have my own shares, and I have shares in the shares. I have shares in Robinhood, so I hope Robinhood make money. Yes, of course. Then my shares go up. Why would I not? It's brilliant. I want my portfolio to do well, Robinhood to do well. We all do well together. I love it. James, I am down a lot. Let me tell you, James, I bought Virgin Galactic at $35. I know what it is to lose money on Virgin Galactic. I understand. I'm right with you. Right with you, 100%. I've been there, but I'm still bullish. I just keep lowering and increasing my averages, lowering my averages. I've got buys at $4 to lower it again. I'm right with you, mate. I'm down a lot. I'm probably down 10 grand on it. I'm right with you. James Stodler. And I'm going to the Virgin Galactic Space Station. I'm currently writing a song, as I've worked for Sir Richard Branson before, writing a song for Virgin Galactic, and the money I make from the video could be a lot of money. It could be millions, theoretically, because I'm going to release it on YouTube to promote Virgin Galactic, and the money I make from the video, I'm going to buy all shares of Virgin Galactic with it, live on air in front of you. And, I know it's a bit of a joke, and I've said I'm going to buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic. I know that's billions of dollars, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to do it on air. So if you all promote my video and you all watch the video, then you can all, get me to spend more money on Virgin Galactic. The stock price keeps going up. Yeah, and I'm going to hold it too. Anyway, Gavana now up 13%. It might well be up 13%. Doesn't mean to say it's going to do well, though. Long term, I still believe that Gavana is likely to go bankrupt. No one had it worse than Rob Brennan. No, Rob Brennan literally got wiped out. Let's read this comment here. Mario, I've been following Virgin Galactic since its prior name, Scaled Composites. That's over 20 years now. I truly believe in this company. So do I. Mario, I'm right with you. I'm going to be there at the space station. I hope to fly with them. I hope to sing my song on the rocket. Absolutely. So be part of our channel and let's support Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic needs everything to go right in order to survive. Everything is going right, Willow. Everything is going right. Good idea, Martin. Yeah, I know. It's a great idea. Has anyone not yet watched that video? I think everyone has. If you go to the playlist on here and you go to Virgin Galactic, let's have a look. Let's have a look. It's SPCE. Let me scroll down and find it for you because we've got a couple of guests here. This is me explaining what I'm going to do with Virgin Galactic, the song. Let me go into here. Mints. Tilray, Ion Q. Unfortunately, it's not in alphabetical order. I could just type it in. But anyway, never mind. These are all my playlists. Hood, BTC, opening, closing bell. Space. There it is. Space. This is my Space playlist. Let me give you the video that you want to watch. This is the Space playlist. Just bear with me a minute. It's called I'll Buy All. I'll buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic. Let me scroll down. There it is. I'll buy all. I explain how I'm going to buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic. I've set up the studio to look like Virgin Galactic. You can see it's really getting some look. See, Virgin Galactic, look. It's had 112 likes. A lot of people are following this video. And this is where I tell you how I'm going to record the song for Virgin Galactic. So if you are a Virgin Galactic fan, an investor, here is this video. Go and watch this video and share it. And this explains about the song that's coming out. Okay. There it is. Share. Copy the link. I'll give it to you again. This is it here. It's the I'll Buy More. So if you are a fan of, or an investor rather, of Virgin Galactic, you can see all the studio is set out with Virgin Galactic colours. This isn't green screen. This is my real studio, and I'm writing the song, and I'm still working on it. I haven't forgotten about it. There it is. All right. So there you go. The portfolio is going up now. We're up nicely, 1.19. Where are our gains coming from? Let me check my CPA. Have we got that information yet? No. Still waiting. The S&P 500 is going up. Good. All I can get is contract gigs right now. Rubbish economy, yes. Just don't have any references to Rocket Man in it, or Elton will come knocking for his royalty. Yeah, 22. Probably. That's what normally happens. Let's read some of these comments on the screen. To your knowledge, is Virgin Galactic planning on paying a dividend? No. It's a growth stock. It won't. That might come in years. That's a long way off. You can't invest in on it if you're hoping for that. Only going to get worse, bro. Church of Logic, the economy. Jerry Mooney, thoughts on Virgin Galactic stock movement after release of flight schedule? It's going to be $10 a share by January, February. I'm very confident of that. Jerry, did you just miss the Virgin Galactic thing I just shared here? This explains what I'm going to do with Virgin Galactic. I'm writing a song in my studio. The whole studio is going to be the official Virgin Galactic space station. If you share this video on Reddit and Twitter and so on, it explains how I'm going to buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic. I know that sounds ridiculous, and it may never happen, probably won't, but I'm going to endeavor to every penny I earn from the video of the music song that I've got coming out, which I'm hoping to sing on the rocket ship with Richard Branson, will be spent on Virgin Galactic shares. All right, I'm going to do that live in front of all of you. So anyway, there it is. If you want to see the shares of Virgin Galactic go up, all you got to do is get behind this video. I am here committed. Right, we're up 1.95. The S&P 500 is going up. Virgin Galactic is going up as predicted. We're now up 2% now. Here we go. Whenever I seem to talk about Virgin Galactic, the shares go up. Have you noticed that? Whenever I talk about the promoting side of Virgin Galactic, the shares go up. Don't know why that is. I will tell you, on YouTube, I rank number 1 for SPCE stock and Virgin Galactic. On the YouTube search term, not on Google, the YouTube search term, incognito, I rank number 1. So I'm going to use that voice to promote what I love, and I love Virgin Galactic, all right? So there you go. Virgin Orbit is down 3.52. The flight to next week. Tesla is going up as well. Elon Musk is apparently going to sell more of his shares. It's 9 o'clock Central Time, which means it's time for a quick commercial break. Are you ready? Skip the ad if you want to. Watch it if you want to support the channel. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Let's go back and have another look. Tesla's still going up. Virgin Orbit is starting to push up. Virgin Galactic's now up 2%. Let's go through. Rivian is up, but just dropping back. Lucid is up 1.63. Arrival is up 0.94. Amazon is up 1.89. $90 again now. Look at that. 2% today. I was trying to buy it at 85, not able to do so. That's my all-time low. Would have been very, very nice to have done that, but unable to. Let's have a look. We're looking for some breaking news. If I get any more news, I'll bring it to you. Global news around the world. Apple is up 0.96 today, looking nice. Robinhood is up 1.13, looking better. McDonald's is up 0.2. Coca-Cola is up 0.17. J&J is flat right now, 5.24. I'm up on it. Good. Google is going up. I'm still down 4% overall. Microsoft's having a good day, up 0.62. I'm up 5.5% on it. Meta is having a good day, up 2%. I'm up 0.6 on it. SoFi is pushing back up. Now, the reason why SoFi is going back up, what you feed, it never goes away. What you feed, it never goes away. Your brain is like a computer. You're talking to me, Mike? SoFi, the reason why SoFi is going up now, they were investigated because of their crypto exposure, but they're licensed as a bank, so people are a bit worried about them with all the FTX debacle, and consequently, they're doing a good job. There's no issue. I always said that. That's why I bought more when it went down, and it's having a nice little rally today. It's oversold, massively oversold in my opinion. IonQ is up 4.56. That's great. One of Amazon's big investments for the future. Walmart is also up. Target is also up. Tesco is up. Canoe is up. Tilray Brands is up. Sorry, is flat. I beg your pardon. Enphase Energy is up 1.6. Until the whole world has solar, this has got thousands of percent to go. It's the best solar, one of the best solar companies you can buy in the world. And even though it keeps making money and it keeps going up dramatically, it can go up and for thousands of percent. Until the whole world has gone solar, this has got miles and miles and miles to go. It's one of my all-time best stocks. Made me more money than most. Bitcoin today is up 0.6. Ethereum is up as well. Right. So that's the Virgin Galactic playlist playing through there right now. Okay. Right. Tonight is our world premiere. It's all part of promoting Virgin Galactic, getting the channel, the music channel going. So that's what all this is about, by the way. There's many facets to all the things that I do, in case anyone wonders why I do these things. Tonight we got a world premiere. How many people are watching me right now? 39. Wow, great. Nearly 40 people watching. Tonight, on my music channel, I have got another world premiere. Tonight's world premiere is the Beatles. Here it is. The idea is promote my music channel. So when I release Virgin Galactic, the song, it really does well. The stock price does well. Everything does well. It's what it's all about. It's in the closing bell after hours tonight. This is the video. It's the Beatles live in my Virgin Galactic space station. That's tonight. That comes out tonight. How many people have already left a comment? If you want to be part of this channel, which is going to promote the music, look, I've got 5 likes already. Who's left a comment? Let's have a quick look. Of course, Mike's always there first. Mike and Bill going for the Investor of the Year member of the year. We've got a big competition coming up end of the year, star prize. There we go. Click notify. It'll go live tonight after the closing bell. So if you want to be part of our music channel and help grow this channel, there it is in the chat. Let me give it to you one more time. Today's music premiere. Here it is in the chat. Okay, back to the main portfolio. We're up now 2.47. 2.49. Looking good. Where are we going to end up today? The S&P is going up 0.9. We're going to be live with the FOMC report, live with the CPI report. Virgin Orbit getting ready for the flight on Wednesday. We're going to be live with that flight. We're going to cover it all day. Tesla is up as well right now. Rivian is up right now. Lucid is up 2.18. That was a great discount. Did anyone pick that up? I picked up plenty. I was trying to buy more at 8. Didn't go that low though. Amazon is now up 2.42. Looking very nice indeed. Let me go over to my main app. You'll see here, and I'll share with you the rest of my portfolio so you can see. My Bitcoin is now held on my ledger. I've removed it from the exchange so it's safe and secure. That's why I've done that. So that is in addition to my portfolio. Just remember that. 43,287. 2.41. We are up on the live position. We are up on the day position. We are down on the week by 10.48%. We were down as low as 12.5. So we've gained a couple of percent there. On the month, we are down. We are up now on the month. We are up now on the month. More confirmation that my portfolio bottomed a month ago. That's what I've been saying now on my show for a while. Look, there was the low. Look there. We're down over 3 months, but we're up on 2 months. I said my portfolio bottomed a month ago. Remember that? On the show, live, I said that. I put my name in the sand and I said it. Thank all of you. That's why I'm still here. Thank all of you. That's why I'm still here, says Churchy. Let's have a look. There's Churchy. Excuse me. So anyway, there we are, up 2.54. Let's have a quick sip of coffee, blimey. Okay. Now then, if you want to be part of our Reddit army, our Reddit channel is still there. All right, I want everyone, because I want to add moderators to this. Okay, my personal profile is still not working, which is bizarre, but my channel is there. Please go and follow this. Follow this. This is where some good chicken, man. What's all that about? Anyway, go and follow my Reddit channel. So important. Reddit is so important. About 20% of my views come from Reddit. A lot of aggression on Reddit. People that try to rip me to pieces on Reddit. So I want my own presence on Reddit so I can compete and have my channel up there. Anyway, there you go. Follow that. Follow it. 1.62. We're up on Robinhood right now. We are up on McDonald's. We're up on Coca-Cola. We're just down on J&J. What that means is when J&J goes down, it tends to be people are taking their money out of their safe stock. It's like putting your money in a vault. Always makes money, doesn't go anywhere. All right, and then they buy the high risk stocks and make money, and that's very bullish, by the way, when that happens. Microsoft is up 1%. Meta is up 2.3. SoFi is up today, 2.3. Okay. IonQ is up 5.4. Walmart is up. Look at IonQ today, 5.4. What's Tilray doing? Tilray is also up. Okay. We're making some good money now, 43.3. Very, very nice indeed. Right, let's have a quick look. How many people have come through the show this morning? We might have to make some videos of this breaking news. Let's have a little look. We had 5,730. We gained one more subscriber this morning. Very, very quiet there. But nevertheless, what's being searched for right now? How many people? 106 through the show so far. Space. Space is my top. Look. This is my top video other than what's going live right now. Space and Tilray and Lucid are all being searched the most. Look, 1,000 views on Lucid. A lot of concern that Lucid was going bankrupt. Meet Kevin was making loads of clickbait nonsense again and telling everybody that Lucid was about to go bankrupt, which is not true at all. But he doesn't seem to care about that. He just seems to care about getting views. I won't do it on this channel. I'll never do that. Anyway, there we go. FTX spokesman Kevin O'Leary says he lost 15 million payday from crypto firm. Flipping heck. Yeah. That's all of you. Thanks to all of you, says Churchy. What was going on there? I'm not upset with you, Church. I'm definitely not picking on you. Just trying to give light. We are friends here. Yes, we are. Good morning, everyone. And let's have a little look. Trying to some good chicken, man. What's good chicken? What's all that about? 2.49, 2.48. So anyway, Virgin Galactic 3% now. It's down 4.29. I didn't get any at $4, I'm afraid. Let me check my CPA. Has she sent me that information yet? Let's have a look. No, not yet. They're still checking it. And if they report that, I will be looking for an opportunity to buy and put it into my Roth. Tesla. Still down on Tesla. Let's go back to my main brokerage account, not the Roth. There's nothing in there at the moment. Still down 23%. Church's Chicken is a restaurant company in the USA. Oh, it's an inside. Oh, I see. I had no idea what was going on. Okay. Rivian is up 1.29. Lucid is up 1.97. Arrival. What do you think? Is Arrival going to get delisted? Amazon having a great day today. US weekly jobless claims increase modestly. US weekly jobless claims increase modestly. That's bad news for the worker, great news for the Fed. That's what we want to see. I know Church is going to go, I don't want workers to be unemployed, but you have to get things to go down before they go up. Let's have a little look. Still rising. Amazon looking good. The IRS wash sale rule prohibits investors for claiming losses on securities sold at a loss and reacquired within 30 days. This prevents taxpayers from using artificial losses to offset their gains and lower their capital gains tax liability. That's exactly what 22 said. That's what seems to make sense. I mean, it makes sense, right? That obviously makes sense. But what we're trying to find out, however, is my CPA seems to think slightly differently. So we're going to just keep our eye on that. We're having it checked right now. And we're going to bring it to you live, because the idea is I will then sell my Tesla and buy it back on my Roth IRA. That's exactly what I anticipate doing live on the show, if that happens. Anyway, Amazon up 2.23. Apple is going up 1.52. I'm up 2.6 now overall. This is the overall position, looking very, very nice indeed. I spoke to the IRS and I explained step by step, but you said what you said, and they said no. Project Freedom. I spoke to the IRS and I explained step by step what you said, and they said no. Okay, it makes sense to me what you're saying. I'm only telling you, I'm having a conversation with my CPA, and she said it was possible. So, we shall see. We shall see. But it makes perfect sense to me what you're all saying to me. I totally get it. The overall portfolio is going up again now. 43,396. Looking very, very nice indeed. The S&P 500 is going up. Virgin Galactic is going up. Tesla is up 0.24. Rivian. Oh, I'm not on the right screen. You could just call IRS yourself, Martin. They'll answer the question. Yeah, I could, but I've got a CPA, right? I've got a CPA. What's the point of that? What's point having a dog and then doing your own barking, right? That doesn't sound very nice, does it? I hope my CPA's not listening. Anyway, church, you can't claim losses. They only let you claim up to 3,000. Church, you just can't claim losses. They only let you claim up to 3,000, says Stephen Lewandowski. Kevin O'Leary was a spokesman for FTS. Is he liable for damages? Kevin O'Leary, I'm not being funny, right? Kevin O'Leary is a bit of a joke, right? And I'm going to explain why I say that, right? Because obviously he's a very successful man. He's made a lot of money. But, and I watch Shark Tank, right? But where I lost respect for Kevin O'Leary came on the conference for the Bitcoin 22, whatever it was last year, whatever it was, and earlier this year. Do you remember the big thing in Florida? And he followed Michael Saylor when Michael Saylor says you never sell your Bitcoin and all this kind of nonsense, right? And he turned around and he said something about his Snoopy watch. And he was going on about his Snoopy watch, and he was saying, you love this. And I listened to him, and I thought, you're talking to people like they're stupid. It's a stupid Snoopy watch, but it's worth millions, this watch, or hundreds of thousands, I don't know exactly how much. And I listened to him, and I thought, it's just a Snoopy watch. And he was going, you love this, this is why I buy this, this is going to make me money. And I thought, you will buy any junk meme coin that you think idiots will pay you more for. The fact that you're promoting your Snoopy watch. And I just thought, this isn't good financial advice. This isn't good fundamental structure. The moment Snoopy is out of fashion in 3 seconds, no one cares less about your Snoopy. Now, I had a big debate yesterday. I was talking off air with a lot of Bitcoin. I call them Bitcoin bros. They're like fan clubs. It's like not financial advice. It's just fanboys, right? And they were telling me, Martin, Bitcoin can never go to zero. And I said the best thing that has ever happened for Bitcoin is the FTX scandal, because now everyone's putting their money on ledgers, just like me. There's my ledger, right? I've done it, right? And that's great. No one's selling. And when no one sells, the value goes up in principle. I get that. It only goes up, though, if somebody wants to buy it. Now, just because you've locked away your Bitcoin and no one's ever going to sell that Bitcoin, or it gets lost, or people forget their ledgers and their passwords and God knows what else, that doesn't mean to say 100% guarantee it's going to go up. It just means no one's selling. And people are confused. Bitcoin bros and fanboys are confusing the fact with just because something is scarce and something is not being sold, it's going to go up. You're missing one element. It requires people to want to buy it. If I take this little bit of tinsel off my Christmas tree, right, and I bury it in the ground, and there's only one of these in the whole world, so it's very scarce and very rare, and I bury it in the ground, I guarantee I'll never sell it. I will never sell it. It's worth nothing unless somebody else wants to buy it. And the reality is, we could end up with a climate, with a situation where people just turn against crypto altogether, and suddenly no one wants to buy it. It doesn't matter how cheap it gets. And what will happen is the price will go down and down and down until it goes to zero. So don't tell me that crypto cannot go to zero, because anything can go to zero. If you live in the world where you think nothing can go to zero, you are an idiot. And you are deluding yourself, and you're living in a world of false reality where you want everything to make money and everything to go up, and you're just hoping for the best. And that isn't good financial strategy or anything. And if you live your life like that, then you're just a gambler. You might as well go to a casino, quite frankly. Anyway. That's why I wish people. That's why I wish people stop scalping. Says Church of Logic on the screen right now. The total supply of Jasmy coin is 50 billion tokens. Nearly 10% of this amount, 4.75 billion Jasmy, is the token's current circulating supply. The token's 50 billion supply has been allocated as follows: 48% to the ecosystem fund. This is because information coming from Church of Logic. Bitcoin also has decentralized mining as a key point of value. Yeah, I understand that. Jasmy coin is the native token of the Jasmy platform. Unlike other networks that are centralized servers, Jasmy uses decentralized servers to help store and compute data. The decentralized network token for this purpose is IPFS. Interplanetary file system. Interplanetary, oh my god, sounds a bit like we're going to Mars selling crypto. Anyway, I'm just making the point that anything, Apple included, Microsoft included, could go to zero. Anything can go to zero. And if you invest thinking that everything is going to the moon, which is a ridiculous made up BitBoy YouTube statement, it's not a financial statement at all, then you're deluding yourself, and you're just assuming that everything's going to go up forever and you can't lose money. And you think, if I shout on Reddit and Twitter and I tweet it on my computer, I can convince other idiots to buy it as well, then great. Well, then if you live your life like that, then you're missing the point. And that's fine. It provides great entertainment for me to watch and poke fun at. There's the truth, right? Get it straight here. Look at Salesforce in 2021, says Church of Logic. Anything can fail. Yes, anything can fail. And you need to buy and invest knowing that. And if you know that, then that's good, right? A wash sale itself is not illegal. Correct. Claiming the tax loss on a wash sale is, however, illegal. The IRS does not care how many wash sales an investor makes during the year. That's correct. Here he is, Shad. I made a comment this morning on your YouTube channel. Shad this morning was playing with limes or something. I forget what it was now. I woke up this morning. I wasn't sat on the toilet, honestly, Shad, when I was watching it. I wasn't sat on the toilet. I was watching Shad this morning do something with lemons or limes. I can't remember what it was now. Very entertaining at the time. I left a comment and said, well, this is what you do when you're not watching my show. What are your option losses? What about option losses? I would imagine it would be the same, Church. A loss is a loss. A tax loss is a tax loss to the IRS. Yeah, I've been checking out Shad's YouTube channel. Is that considered a wash on a 30-day contract? Oh, yes. Church is trying to find a way around it now, look. Church doesn't want to pay his taxes. Right. Okay. So we're doing all right now. We're up 2.17. Right now then we've got pretty much a record audience for a Thursday morning. We've got a cash giveaway tomorrow. We're giving away double prizes. If you want to be in our cash prize draw tomorrow, let me know in the chat and I'll tell you how you can be in our cash prize draw. We do it every Friday. Every Friday I give money away. Every first Friday of the month I give extra money away. And tomorrow we're giving away double prizes. So if you're watching right now and you're not in our draw tomorrow, come into the chat and say, I want to be in. If you're on TikTok and you want to be in, youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Links in the profile, same name as this channel. Just pop on in and say, I want to be in on your free prize draw tomorrow. If you become a member today during our show, we're gonna promote your YouTube channel, right? With a little gift for you if you become a member. here is my Reddit. Here's our Reddit. If you want to go onto my Reddit platform and upvote. Now, my followers to my Reddit, you can access my Reddit. Here it is. Here it is. Go and access it and click upvote. I want you to click upvote. Why that's important is it's linked to Google, and if you upvote my videos, they rank above others on that subject matter on YouTube. Sorry, on Google. It really helps. Okay, so click the upvote. Anyway, I'm claiming super chats as a write-off. You should. It's an expense. Put it down to financial investment, financial advice. I don't know. I pay Martyn Lucas Investor for financial advice. There you go. Put it down for that. Tesla is virtually green today. That would be nice to see. Rivian's up 1.5. My portfolio's up now 2.48. Lucid's going up as well. Anyway, let's have a quick look across my portfolio and see what's being searched on the channel right now. 40 people are watching us live. We've had 127 come through the show. We try to get to 200 a show before we finish. 5731 is our subscribers today. And that's pretty cool. Thank you. Cash prize giveaway in the morning. And, of course, it's our World Premier 2.74 now. 2.88. 43 grand. Look at that. I like it. Alrighty. No one can talk of a horse, of course. No one. What's the famous Mr. Ed? Bill's reading out Beatle lyrics. Bill's hallucinating again. Yeah, he's reading out. He's reading out what he's doing. Actually, he's quoting Beatles lyrics. I know. I know, because I know the song he's even talking about. I thought Bill was... No, it's just Bill. Bill's doing Beatles lyrics. He's very smart, is our Bill. Right. Okay, we're up 2.9. Look at that, 2.76. It's just him. It's just Bill. Bill's his own man. He's his own individual person. Bill is Bill, right? Anyway, world premiere tonight. Who's joining me? Who's left a like? This is getting bigger and bigger. And as this music channel takes off, then I will release the music for Virgin Galactic. The song that I will send to Sir Richard Branson. The song that I want to sing on a rocket ship. I'm being deadly serious. This is today's premiere. I'm doing the Beatles tonight. If you want to be there, go and share it. Build this channel up. This is where I'm going to release the. Release the Virgin Galactic single. All right, there it is. Go and leave a like, leave a comment. Who's already there? Hey guys, we've got Shad. He's already in the like. He's already in the live chat. 7 people have liked it. You click notification and go below and leave a comment. This is the most important part. Leave a comment in the chat. Only Bill and Mike have done it. Sorry, in the main comments. This is the bit that really promotes the channel. Watching it and leaving a comment. This is the most important part here below. It really does make a difference. There are 9 likes on it now, and it premieres tonight. And when we get this channel to start ramping up and going viral on videos, I will release the Virgin Galactic song on that channel, all right? Okay, we got Christmas songs around the corner as well. Okay, here's our Santa. He is indeed. 2.73 now, overall portfolio. Okay, now then, we are doing, let me do a quick poll. I was going to end, but I've got time today to do an extended show. I will make some videos throughout the show, but I will stick with you, keep the community together. We've obviously got a big pump in the market now. Let me find out, would you like an extended show? Would you like an extended show? If I get an overall majority, I will carry on going and I won't go off air. I'll keep on with you for a while. Would you like an extended show? Yes or no? Let's have a look. Okay, let's get some votes in. The S&P is going up. I'm checking my CPA for this information. Oh, hang on. He said he's waiting to hear back from them. Said my brokerage back office will. He said he's waiting to hear back from them. Okay. We are live and waiting. Pop in. Say hello in chat. Will be hang on a minute. I'm gonna give Paddy the link. This is my CPA. Let me give Patty the link. Can I get to the link right now? Let's have a look. This is where we are live right now. And share. Copy the link. Let's see if she come into chat. Come into chat. Oops, she's responding to me. Let's see what she says. Virgin Galactic. 2.23, just falling off a little bit. Got my CPA on the phone. Where's my Tesla, dude? Right. Just reading a comment from TikTok. We're up to... hang on. Here we go. Trading Desk said, since you're moving from a brokerage account... Let me read this first before I release it. This is from my CPA now, directly from the IRS. Let me just read this. Still very grey. Still very grey information. I'm just reading it now. Still very grey. Not fully clarified. We've got top people discussing all this morning. Anyway. We're watching what's going on and we're trying to find out if we can sell our shares of Tesla or any other stock that's down, sell it, post a loss in our tax season right now, buy it back in our Robinhood Roth IRA, that way posting a loss and at the same time buy it back immediately at the same price and get 1% from Robinhood. It's a win-win-win. Could be the best bit of information I've ever given on my show. But we are double checking. Most people here feel that's not possible, but we are finding it if it is. We are clarifying it at the highest levels right now. Anyway, Lucid's going up. Let's have a little look. How many people said yes, extended show? We've got 13 votes said yes. So that's 10 out of 13 says yes. No, you have to perform. No, you have to perform tonight. Hey, James Stodler, I've got a live in-person gig tomorrow night and in Dallas and a live in-person gig on Saturday night, but not tonight. Tonight is a premiere. It's a recording. It's like going to the movies. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, I need to take a restroom break. I'll be just 1 minute. If someone could take over the chat, if everyone can tell everybody watching, Martyn Lucas is taking a very, very quick restroom break. I'll be right back. Okay, I just need to take a very, very quick restroom break. And then I'll be right back. I'm going to stay with you today because we're going to try and get our CPA to confirm all this information as our portfolio is really rising today. Can't stand when professionals beat around the bush. I'm not going to sue you, and I don't want to pay any more fees. Just give a straight answer. Yeah, exactly. My tax person does the same thing. They're going to check it and check it and check it. One of my investment accounts is exactly like Martyn's, except mine is 4-figure. Gaylord Ice Show. The Gaylord Ice Show, not tonight. No, I'm actually going to be in a... If you go on my website, martynlucas.com, you can see my tour dates. If you want to follow me. No, you have to perform tonight. Then tells me I'm responsible for my return. Yeah, guys, Martyn's... I haven't gone yet, Chad. I'm still here. Now Kavan is up 22%. Mohammed's a pump and dump. Be very careful. Anyway, transfer the studio to Fort Worth, and Queen of Celebrating will be there. Right, taking a short break. I'll see you back. If you could talk amongst yourselves, if someone could talk on TikTok as well, tell everybody what's going on. I'm going to be just a minute, and we'll be right back. All right. Okay, a supervisor called me back, and he says he's listening to your show right now. He said, oh, okay, her supervisor called me back, says he's listening to your show right now, and he said, if you do this, it might be considered to be money laundering. My gosh, it's getting serious, isn't it, on our show now? You better off finding the rule on the IRS documents yourself, says 22. Fort Worth is the most ghetto place I've been since Baltimore. Look at this information here. We've got a financial... If we have got a financial advisor watching the show right now, it looks like we have... Look, Project Freedom has said her supervisor called me back. She's listening to your show right now. If you are a financial advisor and you want to call into the show, you're very welcome to promote your firm, your company. All you need to do is, if all my members could share the membership and the Discord link, you can be a member of our channel for a couple of bucks. We do that so it's verified users. Okay, here is the member member link. You can then get in the Discord, call in, and share your wisdom, and I'll be more than happy to share your firm, your website. Basically, you'll be a sponsor for our show, and I'm more than happy to do that. So there is the invitation to join. All right, there's the invitation to join as a member, and here's our Discord. If all the members and everyone while I'm away having a restroom break could explain how this works. If any of our financial advisors or any team is watching and you would like to be involved in our show, you can sponsor our channel, you can call in, and I'm more than happy to promote your firm, and we're here to help people. This channel is the most honest, real channel on YouTube. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel. What I mean by that is live viewers who are members. It's the highest of any YouTube channel in the world. Bigger than more than Mr. Beast. He has 8 to 9% of live viewers are members. We have 95% of our live viewers are members. So anyway, let me take a quick break. You're better off finding the rule yourself. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a look. We will have a new bull market 2023. Average new bull market increases around 30%. Says private. That's from Sweden. We will have a new bull market. Thanks for sharing that. Right, go to the bathroom before too late. Yeah, I know. As you get older, you know what I'm saying. Right, we're up 3% now. So everyone, explain it. Explain where I've gone. Go into TikTok. Explain where I've gone. And if our financial advisors want to call in, you can call in and you can promote your firm, and if you'd like to share your information with us all. See you back in a minute. Thank you. Okay, we are back with you right now. Thank you very much, everyone, for sticking with me, and thanks to all of you who explained what's been going on while I've been away. Let's read these comments. Martyn is a good investment. yeah. Everyone should be a member. Did anyone become a member during the show? Okay, so we got 82% would like me to do an extended show, so I'm going to do an extended show right now. And what we're going to do now is, as you know, when we do extended shows, I make videos in this time. And so if you do a super chat during the making of each video section, your super chat and your name will be on the video forever. So if you want to promote your channel, you want to show support to the channel, or you'd like to make yourself famous, the videos live forever. So I'm going to make some videos now, and if you do a super chat as I make them, then you can actually be in the video forever. So let's have a little look. It's 2 hours 12, and we're going to go through a few things right now. So 2 hour 12, and let's have a quick look, see what we'll do first. Markets are up, and we'll talk about that, why we think it is up. We will, let's have a little look. Who's watching us right now? Let me just bring everybody up to date. We've got Day Trader of the Day competition as well. Let's bring everybody up to date with a commercial break, and then a 10-second break, and then we've got Day Trader of the Day as well. We've got our cash giveaway competition tomorrow, where you can double up your money, so that's exciting. Let me run a quick commercial break. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay, now everyone's up to date. At least you should be. If you've clicked the red button, you should be up to date. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is I need to update my first video. So intro video. Intro vid. Intro. Okay. Here is the first thing I need to do. Thanks for remembering me. You're a good guy, an entertaining person. According to history, after a recession, when the bull market starts, it increases 6-7%, more likely around 30%. I believe that, and that's why I'm in and holding my positions and adding when things go down. Selling shares from one account and buying them in another is not workaround. Brokers track and report wash sales with the same account and include the same in the gain and loss report to the IRS. Okay, referring to a financial analyst that I just heard talking about it. Thank you very much, Private. Thanks for sharing that. Okay, so here we go then. Let's start with our first video. Welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I go live up to 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday, all trading days. And we're trying to grow the best, most honest, real YouTube channels, and there are 2 in the world. And we are joined every day by investors and traders from around the world who equally share with you their live trades, their live positions. This is my real money, my real portfolio. And I started this out with just $5,000. Before I say anything else, though, we want to get you to smash the like button. Have you done that? Smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to our channel. So important you ring the bell because I have breaking news throughout the day. What we do here is I'm sharing my journey as I try to get to $100,000 by the end of 2022. It's still doable at the making of this video, and by the end of 2023, I hope to be at $200,000, and that is my target to retire. I have no mortgage, I have no car loan. That's all I'm trying to achieve. So join us live every day. We have cash prize giveaways every Friday. If you look below this video, you will find my all links button, which will take you to all my social media. You can follow me on all my cash prize giveaways. You can sign up for our newsletter, and you can be in our free prize draw every Friday. Once again, welcome to the most engaging channel on YouTube, and officially it is. 95% of our live viewers are members, more than any other channel on YouTube. We love to be here. We love our members, and join us live every day here on the Martyn Lucas Investors. All right, that wasn't perfect, but that will do. That's my first little video. I will put that out. That's my new intro video, because it needs to be updated. Okay. Cash giveaway. Right, for those of you who want our cash giveaway, I'm going to share that information now. And here we go. This is another video, cash giveaway. We're watching our portfolio. Any breaking news I'll bring out to you as I make these videos. If you've just tuned in, this is our extended show. I'm making videos now for my channel for later, but I'm still here trading live at the same time. All right. Welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Every Friday, I give away cash prize draws. Every single Friday. I love doing it. I'm here to help people, and you can be in our free prize draw every week. Doesn't require you to be a member. It's completely free, and it's free and open to everyone. How do you get involved? Well, it's very, very simple. First thing you got to do is subscribe and like my channel. So smash the like button right there. Okay, let me show you how you can be in our free prize draw. The links to where I'm showing you now are below in the description of this video. So look below this video and you will find the links to where I'm going to show you right now. This is the all links page. You come over here and you will see right here at the top the all links below. This is our free prize draw newsletter. Every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, I send you a newsletter. You can unsubscribe to it at any point. All you do is put your email in there, and you will then receive a verification email. However, because it's a cash prize draw, the verification email will probably go into your junk folder. The email you are looking for, again, is below the description of this video, is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Go and check your junk folder, click verify, so you've registered now for the newsletter, and that's it. You will receive the newsletter on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. If you don't receive it within a minute or so of that time, it's because you've not verified. Click it again and verify again, and just double check that you've verified the email. And also, if you have received the email, it may have gone into your junk folder again. Just whitelist it as an email that you approve. It goes in there because we contain the word cash prize draw, and most email clients don't like that. They put it in the junk folder. So that's how you get that. And we give away prizes every single Friday. And the first Friday of the month as well, we also give away extra money if you are a Twitch subscriber, and that's free as well using Amazon Prime. Check below this video in the description and you'll see my Twitch link as well. So there you go. We give away money every single Friday and the first Friday of the month. We want to be the best YouTube channels. There are two. Check below for my other channel in the world. Most honest, real, always live, always helping, always being honest, giving away cash prizes every Friday. Why? I just love doing it. It makes me happy. So join us every day on Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay, there we go. That's the cash giveaway video done. And was keeping an eye on what's going on. Are people still with me? This is an extended version of my show where I make some videos and keep on top of what I'm doing. So thank you for sticking with me, keeping the community going. I appreciate it. Let me go to the invitation to join, and I am going to talk about memberships now, some of the perks you can get as a member. Let me put that over here. I haven't yet made a membership video, so this is important to do as well. portfolio is now at 2.31, rising again. Okay. Okay. Members. Perks. Okay. Welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Today I'm going to talk to you very briefly about what it is to be a member of our channel. You may notice if you ever watch one of our live shows that we actually have 95% of our live viewers are members. It's higher than any other channel in the world on YouTube, and I research it all the time. So that's a verified account of our success on our channel. Mr. Beast, one of the biggest channels in the world, has about 8 to 9% of his live viewers are members. And many other financial channels have way less than that, somewhere between 1 and 2%. Well, we have 95%. Why have I achieved that? Was because we have the best members in the world follow our channel, and I'm always live. I don't just make videos. I go live up to 10 hours a day, and my membership program isn't to benefit me. It helps to support the channel and keep it live every day, but it's mainly to benefit you. So how do you become a member? Look below this video and you will see the link to become a member, or you can find it on my channel elsewhere. Have a little look. And what it will bring you to, it will bring you to this page here. This is my members page. Now, I'm already a member of my own channel because you can have another account and join and support your own channel. So I actually have I actually support my own channel. But this is where you'll come to, and it shows you all the perks. Now, we have bronze, silver, and gold. We also have platinum and investor level as well. So some very serious membership programs. When you first join, you get a blue badge, then it turns green, and then you get, after 6 months, you get the yellow badge, and gold badge is just around the corner for nearly all of my members. Most of my members are on yellow. We're about to turn gold because we've been doing our program now for 12 months. What do you get as a member? You get many, many perks, and I'll show you just some of them. Not only do you get the badges, but you get the emojis. I reply to all of your comments. You can do polls in the chat. We got pre-IPOs for NFTs, weekly newsletter, sing happy birthday when it's your birthday for you or a family member. Many, many perks and benefits. Members only live streams. You can see the list goes on and on and on and on. It's absolutely huge. We have Zoom support calls. If you're a gold member, 2 hours a month, you can call me directly one-on-one, and I will help support you with your YouTube channel or building a studio like mine. Discounts on my shop. I will connect on all your social media. It's a huge list of benefits that you can get as a member to my channel. So consider becoming a member. I'm here to help people. All I want to do is grow. I say all I want to do. It's kind of a big deal, really. All I want to do is grow the biggest and best. I rephrase that. I want to grow the best YouTube channels in the world. There are 2. My music channel is also below. I want to go the best channel. If that becomes the biggest, that's great. But I want this channel to be the most real and honest channel in the world. And this is my journey. This is my real money, my portfolio. And the membership plan is there to help you. And I can't wait for my channel to get to 100,000 subscribers, and during my live show, as I do most Fridays, promote my members and get everyone to subscribe their channels. I randomly pick people from the show. If you're a silver member, you go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. And what I do is I promote your channel and I get everyone to subscribe to it. And you know what? Everyone does, because we're here to help everyone. I've learned in life, the more you do for others, the better it is for you. You don't have to consider yourself, just be here for others, and that's how you grow any business, not just a YouTube channel. So consider becoming a member, look below, and don't forget, as always, smash the like button and be part of the Lucasades. We are a member family. We are a committed family. Hang on, I'm going to edit that out, that little bit. I'm going to cut that there. I'm going to go, We are a family here on YouTube. We're here to help people, support people. And during that live, as I was making this video, look, you can see JDROYK is now following me on Twitch. And if they follow me on Twitch and they become a subscriber, they'll be in our cash prize draw every first Friday of the month. Another wonderful benefit to being on our show. You don't need to be a member, by the way, for our cash prize draws. That's completely free and open to all. We don't want to exclude anyone that can't afford to be a member. But you know what? It's only a couple of bucks a month to be a bronze member. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you'll join me on another live show soon. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. There's my member-only video. Makes it look so easy. What do I make look easy? Stock market plan. If so, are we a percentage or do we take profit? What is your strategy with investing? Do you take profit after a certain amount? Yes, I will. I haven't reached that number yet until I feel that the markets have recovered. Right now, everything is oversold and everything's in a bad way. So I'm not really selling anything right now. Just buying and adding to my positions. That's all I'm doing right now. Let me see who's still with me. Yep, everyone's still with me. Fantastic. There's my members video. Let's do some stock videos now. Michael Rowley just subscribed. Fantastic. Thank you, Michael Rowley. Uh, 5731. We're now 5733 subscribers. It's going up nicely. 164 come through the show. And now we need to focus on the stocks of the day. What's going up? What is our strategy over the next coming days? I was referring to your production. It's flawless, man. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you so much indeed. I spent most of my life touring in theatres and working with TV companies and as an entertainer. So I spent a lot of time learning that, I hope, and being able to be creative on the fly while running all the screens and everything at the same time. There's no one else in the studio, it's just me. So what are your percentage return? Do you exit? It depends on each individual stock. When I feel the growth has topped out, all my stocks I own right now haven't come close to topping out at all. So I'm holding all my positions. All right. So anyway, let's talk about. Oh, hang on a minute. We've got some BSV Bitcoin news here. Wow. That's important. That's important. Let's talk about this. So BSV Bitcoin. BSV. Okay, let me do that right now. That's a huge pump today. I don't know why. I don't know what the reason for that is, but we'll cover it right now. Here we go. Let's have a quick look. What's going on with that today? Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Today, this is a huge pump for Bitcoin SV, up 8.91%. That's a lot. And if we compare that right now, if we go over to my main portfolio, you can see Bitcoin BTC today is up just 0.5%. So this happened the other day where BSV completely separated from BSV. BSV is, of course, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. And I'm talking to Craig Wright, who is his pseudonym is Satoshi Nakamoto, to be live on my show. We're in discussion right now. But as you can see, Bitcoin SV is up 8.71 right now. That's a big push up right now. I don't know why that is. Maybe someone in the comments could let me know. If you've just tuned into our show, please make sure that you click subscribe and ring the bell. We have breaking news throughout the day. And also smash the like button. That really, really does help me. Now, Bitcoin SV, the way I see it is this. I have a position. I'll share with you if I give you some closer detail here. I have right now, how many do I have? That's my Bitcoin, BTC. Let's go to BSV. Here we go. I have 11 Bitcoin. Now, why am I not buying it when it goes down? Because right now I believe that all crypto could drop a lot further. So I'm not buying any more. I've got 11. Now, people will tell you that one day Bitcoin, now whether it's Bitcoin SV or Bitcoin BTC, makes no real difference. It's all the same, 22 million tokens, exactly the same. Go to $1 million. Well, I own 11 Bitcoin then, right? The reason why Bitcoin SV is a lot lower in price than BTC, it has a lot lower volume. All right, a lot of people aren't into this stock right now, into this asset, and it's not on every exchange like BTC is. But if BTC goes up to $1 million a share, so will BSV. Maybe not exactly the same, but it will give you some sort of indication where it could go, right? So for me, I only need to own 11 BSV. I've got no risk, I've got no fear, I've got no stress. I'm down 20%. You might say, well, why don't you buy some then if you're down 20%? It's enough. Remember, I don't want to get greedy. I just want $200,000 by the end of next year for my pension in 10 years. I've got 10 years to achieve that goal, but I think I'll be there by the end of next year. So what do you think? Do you think BSV is worth holding? It's entirely up to you. I'm not here to promote it, hype it, or anything. I'm not even going to dump it. I'm just going to hold it. I'm going to move it into my ledger, which is an issue right now for my ledger because BSV can't be transferred onto my ledger. I have to use Bitcoin Cash, which I'm in the process of researching how to do that in the most efficient way. But that's what I'm going to do. Do you think that BSV is going to break away from Bitcoin? The people involved with BSV believe so. They believe that Bitcoin is worth nothing and BSV is everything. So, for me, I'm holding 11 Bitcoin. You never know. So, that's the way I see it. What do you think? Leave your thoughts and comments below, and I'd like to get your thoughts on BSV. Is it going to go to $1 million? Who knows? What I do know, however, is you can spend it very, very quickly, very efficiently, instantly. It has far greater technology than BTC. BTC is regarded as digital gold. You just hold it. BSV, you spend it. However, I'm just saving mine because you never know. One day, it just might go up to $1 million a coin. What do you think? Take care of yourselves and each other. Let's do a thumbnail for that one there. BSV, there we go. So I'll buy more on the next bottom. Church, watch volume as well. Good luck. ETC should be $500 then. I've no idea. At Church, possible double bottom set up next line, in my opinion. I am curious. Is Satoshi a former trader from Florida? I used to work with one of the desks, super guy. No one knows. No one knows. That's the answer to that. All right, BSV. That's some interesting movements today. Let's have a look at Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic right now. Virgin Galactic. Okay. Let's have a quick look at Virgin Galactic. Breaking news here Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Virgin Galactic today is up 2.29. I'm trying to buy some more at $4. People are asking me all the time, when are you going to release the flight information? Because I have mentioned that I believe the flight information is going to be out sometime this week. And that, of course, the week ends tomorrow. That's what I've been reading for January and February of next week. I am still looking. I am still finding out. And when I get the information to you, I'll bring it to you as soon as I get it. However, I will tell you, I am holding my position. I'm not going anywhere. I keep adding to my position. My position now is... let me share with you on the screen. I've got 2,100 shares. I'm hoping to buy some more if it goes to $4. There could be one final push down. I don't know. I can't predict it. I don't have a crystal ball, but I know long term that this stock is $100 a share. And with all rocket companies, it doesn't do anything until people actually see the flights and it all takes off and it makes money. The tickets are sold, the customers are ready to go, the hotels for the experiences are being built. I've worked for Sir Richard Branson on the Virgin experiences. I know where this stock is going. I know his commitment to the stock. Real investing is not jumping on the bandwagon. Real investing, like Warren Buffett will always tell you, is buying a great company before it's S-curve, when it's sold off, when it's down, before the good news reaches the public. Once it starts popping up, everybody will jump on the bandwagon. Well, I'm all about, it's not how hard you can punch, it's about how many punches you can take. And I'm all about that. I want to buy the stock when it's down, when the company is good, when the company is sound, as Virgin Galactic is, has money on the balance sheet, which is basically all you're paying for, the cash. Some people will say, yes, but it's burning that cash. It is burning that cash, but it's burning that cash to grow its business. It's not going to fail. It's going to be successful. That's why I'm holding it. It's the biggest part of my portfolio, at least it was before it was down 5% where it is today. It was just a few days ago, near 20% of my portfolio was actually the biggest part of my portfolio. So I'm holding it, I believe in it, and I have another way to get the news out about Virgin Galactic. So Richard Branson, as I've worked for him before, knows of my music. I'm in the process of recording a video and a song for Virgin Galactic. I hope to fly with Virgin Galactic. I also hope to make a lot of money on a video and a music video on the song that I'm writing for Virgin Galactic. And I have said on my show many, many times that I will spend all the money I get from that video. If it's millions of dollars, I will spend millions of dollars on Virgin Galactic shares and hold them. I will trim as it goes up, that is responsible, but overall I will hold. So if you are a Virgin Galactic investor and you want to see the stock price go up, then go to my music video and share it when it comes out. And the money I make openly and in front of you, I will spend it on Virgin Galactic during the show. So you can see me do that. Now tonight, before I do that, I'll give you the link now to the Virgin Galactic video that explains what I'm doing. Just click there, that'll take you to there. Have you smashed the like button yet? Have you subscribed to the channel yet? Have you done that? Okay, fantastic. Now tonight, every night throughout December, I'm releasing music to get my music channel going, so when I release the Virgin Galactic video, it'll already be on a channel that's trending and doing really, really well, because I want the video to do well so I can buy more shares of Virgin Galactic. Tonight and every night throughout December, I'm releasing a live premiere. Tonight, we're doing the Beatles and we're doing While My Guitar Gently Weeps. Click up there and that will take you to tonight's video and you can be in the premiere. Join us, share the channel, and let's get the whole thing moving so we can get behind Virgin Galactic. As my channel takes off, Virgin Galactic will take off. I'm very, very excited about it. Until next time on Martyn Lucas Investor, take care of yourself and each other. Do a quick thumbnail. Okay. That's SPCE. If you've just tuned in, we are doing an extended show. I've actually finished my main show and I'm actually making videos as I am with you live. We are all here live trading. This is real life investing, real life trading as I am making videos as well. Virgin Orbit. Now, Virgin Orbit is very interesting. Virgin Orbit, we've got the flights on Wednesday, and we are going to be there live. Well said, Martin. What did I say? Martin, charts do help with other TA, not 100%, but helps your odds. I'm sure it does. I'll wait for the next pop whenever that is. Investing advice, buy oil, target Brent. Thank you, Private, for that information, and put that on the screen for all to see. I'm not a fan of oil. Just because Warren Buffett buys it, it's not why I buy it. I'm not a fan of oil. The Queen of Self Braiding sends her love. Thank you, Queen of Self Braiding. And oil is so low right now, says Church. Well said, Martin. Church, what did I say? That was so well. Anyway, well said, or whatever it was. Anyway, Virgin Orbit. Let's do this one now. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We have the launch date, or the proposed launch date, for Virgin Orbit. I'm going to share with you now in this brief video what my position is, what I'm doing, how I see the stock going, and I'm very confident of the information I'm going to give you right now. So perhaps you might consider smashing the like button. If you like this video, it shows it to more people and gets this positive message out to more people. And that's what this channel is all about. Honesty, truth, but always honest. So there you go. Once you've done that, please make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell, and you'll be notified of all of my live videos. Now, Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit are about to get very, very exciting here on our channel. But Virgin Orbit, first of all, is the first focus we have, because Virgin Orbit has a flight on Wednesday. And we are going to be there. Hopefully, we have one of our researchers at the space station in Cornwall, where I was a few weeks ago. If you want to see when Cosmic Girl landed, click here. And I was there when it landed live. You can click it just there. And you can see, as it landed live, I interviewed Channel 4, the angry spaceman, the angry astronaut, and the Times. And hopefully on Wednesday, we'll have one of our researchers there covering it, taking off again, as the first European satellite space launch takes place. Very, very exciting. Now, why is Virgin Orbit down again? Well, quite honestly, having spoken to the team at Virgin Orbit, the technology is great, but the company don't believe in the stock price. Every time it pops up, it gets dumped. It's awful right now. It's one for the future. So even though I buy stocks and generally hold them, my strategy on this one, and I don't mind sharing it with you, honestly, what I'm going to do is dump it. Dump it because everybody else will. There's absolutely no point holding it right now. It pops up and goes back down again. The trouble is with Virgin Orbit, they need more money. They're probably going to dilute the stock again. So it will go back down whether people dump it or not. So the fact of the matter is, at the moment, they can't do it. They want the stock price to go up. No company wants to dilute a stock that's already virtually a penny stock. In fact, it is a penny stock because it's under $5. So when it pops up, if it goes up to anything above 8, 9, 10, they would then announce to to dilute it anyway. So it's always going to go back down. So when Virgin Orbit flies on Wednesday, we hope to be there either in person with our researcher or here online covering it using online sources. And when it goes up, anything above $4, I will sell it and take a profit. I'm not trying to time the market. I have no idea where it's going, but I will sell it regardless, because at the end of the day, everybody else will do so, and there's no point being a bag holder. Absolutely pointless. Anyway, so there's my position. I have a small position, 352 shares right now. I do have a buy at the moment. If I scroll down, I'll share with you my thoughts. I am looking to buy it at, here we go, $2. If it goes to $2, I'm buying more, another 100 shares. I might adjust that. We'll see. It's at $2.50 right now. I don't know where it's going to go. Maybe it will go to $2 and I'll buy some more, but I will sell it when it goes above $4. Simple as that. So what do you think? Leave your comments below. I reply to all of my members' comments and as many of non-members as possible, but I do focus on my members. If you'd like to be a member, you can check out the videos, the links below. Also, you might like to know that tonight we have a world premiere on my music channel. Click up here every night, and we're doing that because soon I'm going to release a Virgin Galactic promotional music video to promote the Virgin Galactic stock. So get behind those songs, get behind the channel, and as soon as we have Virgin Galactic, when I release the single for Virgin Galactic, you'll see that appear on the same channel. There we go. Thank you ever so much indeed. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Virgin Orbit. Okay, there's Virgin Orbit. All right. Let's bring everybody up to date. We've still got Day Trader of the Day. We're sticking with this channel. I asked you if I should do a extended show while I make some videos, and you said yes. Has been delayed till next year. That's why it's going lower probably. Virgin Orbit's launch has been delayed till next year. Is that confirmed? Texas governor banned TikTok on state-issued devices. That's interesting. Is that right? Yeah, the Brent is a killer. My niece's Callie is paying $60 for a sedan. Hang on a minute. Can you confirm that? I don't have that information. The flights are is still scheduled. Let me know and I will bring that out. But that's new information just come out. Thanks for sharing that. Now then, let me bring everybody up to date. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a minute as well. Here comes a quick ad. Skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. I added some links below my comment. Sid, your comments won't show because your links won't show because you're not a moderator. You need to be a moderator. That's why we have Discord, so you can actually share your information via Discord. Okay, Vorb. Let me have a quick video about Discord. Video. So, over here. Welcome all. In fact, I'm going to give that link there. Discord. Copy that. We're doing an extended show. And I'm making videos as I'm still engaging with you and all the rest of it. Okay, here we go. There we go. Right then. If there goes the Christmas bonus stock. Oh yeah. Oh dear. That's what you were hoping for, right? It's delayed. It is delayed. It's on BBC News. Craig, you've just seen it, right? Okay. I'll bring that out then. Thank you guys. I'll share that. That's a bloody disaster. Vorb. Delay. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So here we go. I'll bring that out then. Let everybody know about that. Damn it, that's frustrating. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We have just heard from one of our researchers who's verified on the BBC right now. Unfortunately, Virgin Orbit flight's launch has been delayed yet again. This is bad news for the stock. Obviously, it's bad news for the stock. It does present me with opportunity, though. Every bad news for me is good news. I always see red days are the days I go to work. Just a few moments ago, we reported on the show Wednesday was the scheduled flight. Well, we've now just heard it's been delayed. Okay, this is not great news, of course. This is terrible news, but all bad news presents opportunity. So here's some opportunity for you right now. Smash the like button. Have you done that? Have you subscribed to the channel? Have you done that? All right. So my strategy right now is, if that's right, and we now had it confirmed by the BBC that the schedule has been delayed, not cancelled, delayed, I am now looking to buy more shares of Virgin Orbit because it will dip. Look, my buy is here. My buy is placed at $2. I'll just see on the screen, look, $2. There's my order ready to go. I will buy some more at $2. So, for every bad news, there's always an upside. It doesn't mean, it means we're not going to make any money right now on Virgin Orbit, but we will make it in time, particularly if you can get the stock for $2. When it does fly, it will go up. Like I said on my earlier video, probably no more than $4, but you can double your money. Something like that. It is going to fly. The customers are in. They've signed the contracts. They've paid the money. I don't know why it's been delayed, and if we can find that out, we'll bring that information to you. But breaking news right now on the show, BBC have confirmed through one of our researchers that Virgin Orbit has been delayed. Damn it, but always presents an opportunity for us here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Let me just do that. No! No, that's a silly face. How do I do? Do that. Does that make sense? I don't know. I don't know how to do a. Maybe that. Maybe that. Maybe that. Or do that. I don't know. We'll see how that looks when I edit that. Anyway, let's scroll back down. Whoa. Yeah, bad move, Jez. What's happened here? Let's have a little look. I'm selling the stock now. Why would you sell now? You lose money again. Why do you always sell when you... Are you going to sell it now and lose money? 401k hardship withdrawals hit record high. Vanguard says another sign. Households feel the pinch of inflation. Tragic about the coal mine. What coal mine's that? Gasoline is cheaper than Virgin Orbit, down 3.52. Yeah, bad news. Jez West. Whoa, thank God. Mario's going to buy it cheaper. Is that what you're saying? That's a good face. There you go. Well, Wells Fargo says 23 won't be a year to buy and hold, crowd. I'm buying more. Of course. Of course you should. That's what you're supposed to do. Anyway. Church is going to sell it. Why would you sell it? Surely you're up, right? But I can't see how you can be up on it. Anyway, I don't understand that. I'm not selling it. I'm just going to buy it. Anyway. Right, okay. So I was going to do Vorb delay. Discord, up to here. Would you like to be a guest on our channel? Would you like to call in on our channel either via a phone call or via a video call? Would you like to speak to all our investors and traders 24/7? Would you like to ask questions and get them answered about your favorite stocks? Well, you can for free 24/7. How mad is that? Unbelievable. You want to know how? On our channel, you want to know exactly how you can do all those things? Well, smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to tell you how you can be part of an amazing Discord channel. Yes, we have our very own Discord channel. Here it is. The links are below this video. You can click on the link, and it will take you to this Discord channel. Now, as a non-member, you can see all the public channels. As a YouTube member, and again, the links are below this video, you can access all of the channels, call in, talk to Ed Nevius, Muzanella, all our big investors and traders. Myself, you can talk to me 24/7. Oh yeah, I'm on it 24/7. Maybe when I'm asleep, I'm not, but maybe even then I wake up and check it when I go to the toilet. But my wife Leah doesn't know. But she probably does. Anyway, you can talk 24/7 to all our investors and traders. Go below the video and check out the link to Discord. And we're growing all the time. Now, as a non-YouTube member, you will only see the open public channels. If you want all the exclusive access and be able to call into the show, be live on the show, then you need to be a YouTube member. The links for that is below. There you go. Be part of our Discord channel. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay, let me do a quick thumbnail and I'll put Discord in this overlay here. So I'll do that. Okay, there's Discord. Yes, and education as well. Smash the like. Ed Nevius, look, you were famous then. You got famous then in my video. Ed Nevius got mentioned. How about that? I hope to God Virgin Galactic crashed below $4, making it even cheaper. Yeah, remember, it's not the price of the stock, it's the value of the company you're investing in. The price just enables you to buy cheap stocks. Absolutely right. Tesla. All right, yes. This is important to cover. Tesla. Right. Okay. My next one. We're doing an extended show this morning as I'm making videos for you guys. Now, if you've just tuned in, let me check who's joining in tonight for our for our premiere. How many people? Oh, whoa, 10 likes. That's the best we've done. Every night it's getting better. Look at this. Look at this. I'm excited. Look at this. Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. Why am I saying that? Ignore me. I'm just reading. I'm doing 10 things at once. Today's premiere. Here it is. Look at this, folks. Here it is. There is my tonight's music premiere. This is where we're growing the channel so you can enjoy music every night, brings the community together, but this is where the Virgin Galactic video will be event when it comes out, right? We've got Christmas songs soon. This is what I'm looking at right now. Let me share with you. Look. In fact, not there. Over here. Over here. Come down here. Come down here. Whenever you're ready. There you go. It's Beatles night tonight. There it is. Okay. And I've got 10 people already hit the like button. Share it because we want this to go up. This is where I'm going to release the Virgin Galactic song. And most importantly, not only watch the premiere, but leave a comment below. James has done it. James, fantastic. Do not miss it. Look at James Stodler. James is all over it. Stephen Lewandowski, Shad. All these YouTubers and people here will all get promoted as well. Great stuff. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you guys for being part of that. Okay. Thank you guys. Yes, agreed. I've been waiting since last week for it to go below $4. Yes, I can't wait. Can't wait. I'll buy a lot more if it goes to $4. Church watching the 7:59. Ed Nevius. Right. Tesla news. Tesla news. That's what I'm trying to do. So let's get back to it. Tesla. Now then. This is important. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. More news today from Elon Musk and Twitter and Tesla. Do you want to know what the secret news is? It ain't that secret, but I'm going to share it with you if you smash the like button. And you've got to smash the like button for this information. It's too good. It's too juicy. Smash the like button and don't forget, as always, click subscribe and ring the bell. I go live 10 hours a day here for you live on my channel. Tesla. Look at Tesla today. It popped up for a while, went green and back down again. What's my strategy with this? What's my long-term play? Well, now with Robinhood, I have 3 accounts. My main brokerage account, my Roth IRA, and my traditional IRA. I am planning on buying some more Tesla when it goes, if it goes to 160 and below. And I'm going to put that in my Roth IRA. Why? Because I get 1% from Robinhood straight away. So I'm straight away up by 1%. And I'm holding it long term. I've got enough in my brokerage day trading account, even though I am a long-term investor overall. I've been waiting for the long-term retirement accounts from Robinhood. And now we have those. I can buy and hold long term with the 1% gift I get from Robinhood. Suits me perfectly. But why is the stock price down again? What's going on with Tesla? We got another rumor today that Elon Musk would sell more shares of Tesla. Is this a good thing? Is it a bad thing? I'm frustrated by him, yes. But I always see everything as an opportunity if you find the angle. And the angle is, if he does sell more Tesla, the people that don't really understand the business, that are just fanboys, will all protest on Reddit and they'll sell. Along with Elon. And what will that do? That will drive the stock price down. It's a great company. Wouldn't you love to own Tesla at 160, 150, 140, 100? The company are still on target for a record-breaking quarter. That's great. We'll get those figures in January. I'm looking forward to it. I would love to buy more. So my target is this. I'm buying more at 160 and even more at 150 and a bucket load at 100. Who knows? I have no idea if it's going to go there, nor does anybody else. I do know, though, it will go down when Elon Musk sells, because it always does. Because what drives the stock price up? Buyers. What drives it down? Sellers. Simple. The value of the company hasn't changed, just the price for now. If it goes on sale, I'm buying more and holding. The company is great. The company makes more margins, a higher margin than any other car company on planet Earth. So I'm happy to own more if it goes cheaper. Why would I not? I bought this stock when it was $3 a share. Sorry, Not $3 a share, $333 when it was $1,000 a share. Yep, and beyond. I had a few shares at $1,200 at one point. Didn't we all? We all thought it was going up forever and ever. Well, it came back down again when the whole Twitter debacle happened and other outside macro issues as well. So anyway, for me, Tesla is a hold, long-term hold. I'm buying more when it goes down. Perfect. I hope it does go to 100 because at the end of the day, the car company is making cars and making money. The value of the company is not going down. It's going up. It's just the share price that's going down, and that is all good, and that is a reason to smash the like button if there ever was one. So there you go. Smash the like button. Get involved in our channel. Join us every day as we go live, invest live, trade live here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. I need to change that screen, I think, to get the... that's better. Do a thumbnail there. Okay. Martin, can you check Ford for me? Yes, I can. Can you send me some juicy information on Ford so I can make a video on it for you? You're a member, and I'll make a video on it for you. Lucid. Send me some juicy information about Ford, and I will make it, and we'll get the stock price to go up. Brilliant. Tesla has pretty high valuation. PE, yeah, but it's getting cheaper. It was nearly 80. Wasn't it 80 6 months ago? People don't realize Tesla is more than just... Yes, I know that, Mario. Said it over and over again. For Virgin Orbit, the difficulties that they are facing is that they and the satellite client need to get permission from CAA, Civil Aviation Authority, before they can fly. Okay. Thank you, Sid. I will do that for you. I will do that for you, Church. Send me some juicy information. All right, send me some information. Right. Well, you're researching that. I want a nice, juicy bit of text on the screen from a website, and I will bring that up. All right. Okay. I want to talk about Lucid for a minute, because that's one of the things I'm being searched for at the most as well. So let's do Lucid. LCID, Lucid. Okay. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. There's some big rumors going around, mainly caused by your friend and mine, Meet Kevin, of course, and Redditors and Twitters, keyboard warriors, you name it. No one to really substantiate these claims. No one of real credible standing, I don't believe. No one at the company, no one from a major financial institution, but YouTubers, Redditors, and people like that saying Lucid is going bankrupt. Well, I put a video out yesterday and lots of people are asking about this. Lucid isn't going bankrupt. I'm not saying Lucid can't go bankrupt in the future. Any company can go bankrupt in the future. But for me, Lucid not only produces a car superior in technology to Tesla, that doesn't make a great company. Don't anyone start ranting about that below the comments. Well, in fact, go on, rant about it in the comments. I love getting into debate with Tesla investors. I am one, by the way, over those statements. But it is a fact. Lucid has a higher grade of technology on their cars. No doubt about it. But that isn't what it's about. It's about ramping up. It's about ramping up. And the king of ramping up EVs is, without doubt, at the moment, is Tesla. However, Lucid is a $35 to $40 stock, in my opinion. All right. I believe it's going there again. It's just struggling right now to ramp up. It has plenty of money in the bank, plenty of money coming in. There is some fears There is some fears of diluting the stock to raise capital. That is true. That is always a concern, but they're not going to do that until the stock price goes back up to 25, 30 bucks. So even if they do that at 25, 30 bucks, it might then devalue back down to sort of 15, still double your money from 8 anyway. So I see this as a good opportunity. For me, it's a good opportunity. Have you smashed the like button yet? Are you liking it so far? Have you clicked subscribe? Have you done that? Right, I hope you've done that. Lucid to me is a hold. I'm adding to my position at the moment. Now I've got Robinhood with their extra accounts. I can have a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA. I'm about to add some more. I've got buy orders $8. I'm not prepared to pay any more. Why? Because that's my all-time low. I never buy a stock when it goes up. I only ever buy it when it goes down, and I only ever buy it when it goes to all-time lows. And we get that on earnings reports. All of a sudden, there's a bit of breaking news. Elon Musk decides to sell something or tweet something, or someone says something silly and drops a stock can drop in 10%. When that happens, I'm there to pick it up. I love that. So I always have a limit buy ready to go for all my top stocks. And very often when I talk about stocks, they always go up when I talk about them in a positive manner. And as you can see, Lucid is doing that right now, up 0.82 today. I'm happy. I added more the other day. I've now got, let me share with you my full position. I've got 220 shares of Lucid now. Happy with that. I'd love to buy some more if it goes to 8. I'm not adding any more until it does. And what do you think? Do you think there's any evidence at all to back up that people believe that Lucid is going bankrupt? I don't believe so. Someone has just posted a comment here in the live chat as I make this video. You are now going to be in our video forever. You're now about to get famous, and that is Privet, which is Swedish for private. One of our guests joined us yesterday from Sweden. Lucid has a lower valuation compared to Tesla. I'm just translating TSLA, should be TSLA, of course. Lucid's PA ratio is 8.92. Yes, but remember, Tesla is a very different company. It doesn't just make cars, and it's ramping up. So overall, yes, Lucid is a good buy on that principle, but that is not enough for me to want to buy it alone. Even though I do own it and I do believe in it, and as I'm talking about it, it's going up. I love when this happens on a live video. Absolutely great. So Lucid is going up. We believe in this stock. I know it's going to go up to $30, $35, $40 a share. Doesn't mean to say I go all in and buy millions of dollars. I have to be responsible to my portfolio, because most important is to be relaxed, calm, happy. When I'm relaxed, calm and happy, I make good decisions. When I'm stressed and worried, I don't. So I want a balanced portfolio that makes money long term, but doesn't give me any stress. I haven't got any hair to lose. So there you go. I hope you liked the video. I hope you commented on the video, and very, very soon we are about to release a Virgin Galactic video, a music video to promote the stock. So to do that, I'm promoting my music channel. If you click up here, I've got a world premiere tonight coming out. I'm actually the world piano man. If you look at my studio, you'll see my music studio behind me, and every night I bring out some music. And the purpose of that is it's good for my soul. I hope people enjoy my music, but also is we're about to release a single for Virgin Galactic, and hopefully make a lot of money with that video, and I'm going to buy, with all the money I get, Virgin Galactic shares. Another great exciting story here on our channel. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Lucid. Right. Martin, off the subject, have you heard of the singer John Illsley? Sounds like Mark Knopfler genre. He even played with Mark. No. The answer is I don't. When you are stressed, you cry. Yeah, that's right. I do. You've seen it. You know what goes on. See who's with me. We've started to lose an audience now because it's later in the morning. And I think we're going to wrap up the show because most people are tuning out now. And I will. Have you heard of SPIR? I haven't. Right. I did promise to do something for Ford for Churchy. Churchy, you've given me some information. Copy link address. I'm going to do something for Churchy, one of our members. If you are a member of our channel, I will make videos for you. And let's have a look. Page not found. Open link in new tab. Let me have a little look. Ah, there we go. That's because I can see why. I can see why. Let me try that again. US Ford doubled BEV sales again in November. Right, this is for Church. He's a Ford investor, as am I. Very small investor I am, though, however. And he would like me to mention some points here, so I will do so. Okay, if you are a member of our channel, you can ask me to promote a stock. Remember, this is not a pump and dump situation. I do this because it's stocks I invest in, that I believe in. I don't just pump and dump rubbish. I would never, ever do that. So don't think you can ask me to make a video on something that I don't believe in. If I don't believe in it, I will say so, and I won't end up promoting it. I'll end up trashing it. So, you know, I'll make trashy videos on Shiba Inu, for example. So let's have a little look. What are we going to talk about? Okay. So this is part positive, part negative. My experience of Ford, but it'll end positive, Churchy. So here we go. Let's do it right now. This should be the last one, and then we'll do Day Trader of the Day, and then I'm going to get off and edit all these videos and put them out this afternoon. Okay. While I'm doing that, let me just make sure, has everyone clicked on the today's music premiere? Let me give you that right now. There you go. Let me see how many people have actually liked the video. 12 likes. This is so cool. So cool. Look at this. Thank you ever so much, guys. I'm just looking at my Beatles video for tonight. Right. Okay, here we go. Ford. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We are talking about Ford now. One of my members of my channel said, who is a big investor and loves Ford, says, can you make a video on Ford? And I can do that. If you are a member of our channel and you want me to promote a stock, remember, if I do make a promotional video, it's not a pump and dump. I always tell the truth, and I'm only positive about stock if I own shares in it. If you ask me to promote Shiba Inu, for example, and I say it's rubbish, well, there you go. I'm just telling you. I'm happy to do it for any of my members, but I tell you the truth, not to pump and dump, not to influence in any way, just to tell you what I believe in and the facts that are presented to me at the time. So, what's new about Ford? Now, very often when I make a video talking positively about a stock, the stock goes up. No idea why. Maybe 1 million people watch me and then buy the stock because I say so. I don't know. Anyway, as I start talking positively, it will go up. As I start saying something bad, it will go down. Let's see if that happens today. So smash the like button, and don't forget, as always, click the subscribe, and we go live up to 10 hours a day. We're talking about Ford. I've got some news. I'm going to talk about it and share it with you right now. So there you go. If you do a super chat during this video, your name will appear in the, as I'm making this video on a live show, your name will appear on the screen as well if you want to get famous. Okay, Ford. I have a very small position in Ford. Now, I'm a much bigger fan of Tesla. I'll say that right off the bat. However, I've owned every Ford ever since Ford came out. As long as I've been driving anyway. I've had a Ford Sierra, a Ford Focus, a Ford Transit van, short wheelbase, medium wheelbase, long wheelbase. Everyone in England loves Ford. We all have Ford. But it's not about a fan. It's about making money. I'm here to buy stocks that will go up, make me money. Right? Now, I read some information last night that the CEO is very passionate about making Ford the #1 EV manufacturer. They want to compete and beat Tesla. Can they do that? If they can do that with the history that they have, the history isn't everything, remember, then they are in a good position, a very good position if they can pull that off. There are some negatives to Ford. We all know about that, and we're going to talk about it very briefly now on the show. So let's have a little look. This is our researchers sending some information in. This is Church of Logic, who is very passionate and an investor on Ford. Let me bring in some of the information for you right now. Ford is demanding its dealers get serious about EVs. 2/3 say they're in. Now, let me add some color to that. I've got friends who own Ford dealerships, and they are muscle guys. They are gas guys. They don't even like EVs. That's a fact. That's a reality. When the man walks in off the street, or a woman, to buy a Ford, as it was last year, earlier in the year, in fact, they walk in, and in one section, the guy comes, come over here and buy this big, heavy Mustang, this big gas-guzzling car. This is what you want. Guy over here says, come over here, what you want is an EV. That doesn't work. Ford understand that now. They understand you've got to be in one camp or the other. That's why Tesla only sell electric cars. Can you imagine if Tesla suddenly said, we're going to make gas cars? It would crush the company. You either believe in one thing or you don't. And you can't have one person telling you, you need to buy this car, if someone over here is saying, you need to buy this car. That's obviously a conflict of interest. Well, Ford understand that now. And they're demanding, as in this comment here, its dealers get serious about EVs. Because unfortunately, the mentality of Ford dealerships, and remember, dealerships aren't the future either. In my opinion, buying cars online, if they're computerized cars, digital cars, EV cars, why on earth do you need dealerships? Now, I know some of my viewers won't like that because that means putting people out of business, but that's what's good for the company. Making profits is what the shareholders want. The shareholders aren't buying shares because they love people. They're buying shares because they like making money, period. No argument. That's what we're doing here, right? I'm all for people having money and having jobs, but I'm investing to make money, not to help people. That's not what I'm doing. Doesn't make any sense, right? So, Ford are right to get everyone to be more serious about their EVs. As long as you have conflict of interest, you can't overtake Tesla. Let's look at this next comment from Churchy. Ford Motor Company CEO Jim Farley said that 1,920 of Americans, roughly 3,000 Ford retailers, have agreed to sign up for the company's EV certification program. So that's showing you that Ford is moving in that direction. They've been listening to my show. They tune in every day. And they've realized that you can't be in both camps. You've got to go fully EV. You've got to go fully EV. You can't be a bit of this, bit of that. Now, if you want to have some very rare collectible cars and you want to keep the muscle cars going forever and a day, okay. For collectors, 1% of your fleet could be gas cars. I get it. But if you're not fully committed to your EV progression, you're not going to be a leader in EVs. It's inevitable. And that is the future, whether you like it or not. Ford not only have to realize that, but love it. How can you be passionate? How can you be passionate about one side of the argument and not the other? You need to be passionate about EVs. You need to love EVs. If you don't, it looks like what it is. You're just trying to make a few quid and sell a few cars and you don't really care. You've got to get passionate about it. Let me read some more information. In fact, I'm going to share some information right now that was sent in by our researcher, Churchy. All right? Let's look at this information over here. The US Ford, let me zoom in and make it a bit clearer for you, if I can. Let's have a little look. There we go. Oh, that's a bit too big. Let's have a look. US Ford doubled BEV sales again in November 22. This is some of their fleet. We've got the truck, we've got the Ford E-Mach-E, and have we got an electric transit van now? I would have loved that years ago. I would have absolutely loved that. One of my biggest expenses was the gas prices. Would have loved it. Let's have a little. See, let me make this even bigger if I can. There we go. In November, the total sales of Ford and Lincoln vehicles in the US decreased by almost 8%. All right. Year over year to 146,000. The company reports strong demand, which indicates that the problem is still in the limited supply of new vehicles. Ford sales, 140,000, down 7%. Lincoln sales, down 5%. Total sales, 7.8%. In the case of all-electric vehicles, Ford once again doubled its sales year over year last month. The company delivered 6,255 units of 103%, which is also 4.5% of the total volume. Ford noted also that EV sales expanded at approximately twice the rate of the overall EV segment in November, and that it's America's second best selling brand and manufacturer of EVs behind Tesla. Okay, so Ford are getting more serious. They need to get more serious. Are you in the camp that believe that Ford can take on Tesla? What do you think? Church has sent me more information here, which also involves charging investments and no haggle sales programs. That is essential. Essential for EVs. We've got to get rid of the whole car salesman. I know it means people losing their jobs, but as an investor of a company, I am interested in the company making money. Not interested in anything else. So we need to get rid of that car salesman routine, which is what Ford can be known for, and about a different approach to technologies. Let me read some more information here. US Ford doubled BEV sales again in November. We've already had that one. I think that's it for now. I've got more information coming in from Churchy, but that'll make another video. I think that's long enough. We talked about Ford. What do you think? Is Ford going to compete with Tesla? Well, just because something is a legacy company, just because it's been around forever, doesn't mean it can compete. One thing Ford has going for it in America, it has the backing of the government. We know that because, embarrassingly so, when the government decided to have an EV summit, they invited Ford, but they left out Tesla. People said because Tesla, Elon Musk can't keep his mouth shut, apparently. I think that is ridiculous. The biggest EV pioneer in the world is not at an EV event. To me, that's ridiculous. However, if you are a Ford investor, you don't mind the government behind Ford. Why would you mind? At the end of the day, you want your investments to go up. So it's tough on Tesla, but Tesla are still coming out on top. Just because Ford have the backing of the government doesn't mean to say they can remain and be number one in the EV space. However, we know that Ford has the number one truck in the United States, the F-150. They've now got the Lightning. When we see everybody driving around in an EV Ford F-150 Lightning, then we know that Ford could become number one. What do you think? Leave in the comments below. I will reply to everyone's comments. I would love you to call into the show. If you are a member of our channel, if you look below, there's a Discord channel. You can become a YouTube member and call in live to the show. I invite anyone who works at Ford to call in and have your say. I invite anyone who'd love to be part of this debate, Ford versus Tesla, to call into the show. Be part of it. Let me know what you think and be live on the show. Tonight, in the after hours and the closing bell up here, you will see a link to my world premiere of my music, my latest music video, and every night I release a music song, and the reason for that is we're about to release a song for Virgin Galactic and promote that stock, and I want the shares to go up for Virgin Galactic because I'm a holder and I'm promoting it with music, so we're getting people to follow me on my music channel. Let me scroll to the bottom and let me see very quickly if I had any more comments from anyone about Ford. Let's have a look. Oh, hang on a minute. Churchy has just said here, he drove Fords and thinks they're rubbish. Unreal. I do not think Fords are rubbish at all. They are an everyman car. They're not a BMW. My favourite car is a BMW. It's made much better than a Ford. I prefer the build quality of Fords. A BMW, but not everyone can afford a BMW. Ford is the most popular car in England, and it's I wouldn't say it's a cheap car, but it's a budget car. It's made well. It does the job, gets the job done. That's a fair estimate. I'm not a fan. I'm just an investor. All right. Okay, let me scroll down. He loves Ford, really. Church, reckon he just says it to wind you up. There you go. Crag, I think I've given a very, very fair assessment of Ford here today. Any more comments? This makes me so happy. There we go. Now Church is happy. He believes, hopefully he believes that it was a fair statement of Ford. Tell it like it is. Absolutely, tell it like it is. My channel only has the highest engagement rate of live viewers to members of any YouTube channel. That's an official statement of fact, by the way, because the channel is always live, always real, always honest. You did enough, says Ford, says Churchy. Thank you. And that's a perfect way to end this video. Churchy, this was for you. You are a member of my channel. I've made a video for you. I hope it was fair, and I hope Ford do well for you and everybody else who is involved and invested in Ford. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Let's do a quick ticker, and there we go. There's Ford for you, Churchy. Okay. Let's go. My portfolio is up 1.34 overall. Let me go back to here, and we're going to end. He started out with 0. I do have some Ford. I'm holding it. Virgin could go bankrupt. Mr. Clockwork's coming in again. Oh, brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Oh, hang on. That was Ford. And did I do SPCE? SPCE, yes. One final one. Right, here's my final video, and we're going to go. We're going to do Day Trader of the Day. It's been an extended show. You asked me to carry on. How many votes did I get? I got 39 votes extended. In my extended shows, I make videos, so so you know that's how we work. Otherwise, I'd never get any videos if I was doing extended shows all the time. Right. We've got 164 come through the show. How many people have subscribed today? 5,734. We started at 30, so that's good. There are still 31 watching and 44 likes. If you've not subscribed and rung the bell and smashed a like, please do. That's good to see. But we are going to end the video with this. And then we're going to do Day Trader of the Day straight away. So, bring you back to here. Last shout out today for today's music premiere. Here it is. Here it is. There you go. There is the music premiere. How many people now have clicked like to it? 14. This is fantastic. This is my best one yet to date. I love it. Look at this. 14 people have liked the video, liked it. Comes out tonight in the closing bell. Very exciting. Nice one, guys. Thank you. Right. So let's do that right now then. This is my last video. My last video. So I wanted to go back to the Virgin Galactic playlist. Where is the playlist? Oh, here it is. Hang on a minute. Okay, here we go. This is my last video now, and then we're going to go. Thank you very much for being here. It's called All In, the All In video. This is the one. I'll buy all. Here we go. I'll buy all. All I want is the thumbnail up. And we'll close that down. Here we go. I'll buy all. And we'll do day trade of the day after this as well. Okay, that'll do. Come on. View thumbnail. That's all I want. There you go. That's what I wanted. Okay, brilliant. Okay. Let me zoom that over there. That'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Right. Here we go. The portfolio's coming up again. We're at 1.56. Okay. Let me go back to space. I need to be on that first. Here we go. Right. We're going to wrap up with this. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Virgin Galactic. We're about to release a single. I've worked for Sir Richard Branson on the Virgin Experiences. I'm about to release a song for Virgin Galactic SPCE stock, and all the money I get from that video, and it could be millions, it could be, if you share it, if you like it, if you watch it, if you're an investor to Virgin Galactic, why wouldn't you? I will spend live on the show in front of you all the money I get on that video on Virgin Galactic shares. I'm very excited to do it. Can't wait. And there you go. So how are we going to make this happen? Well, first of all, have you smashed the like button? Because if you've not smashed the like button, why on earth? Because what more can I do to promote Virgin Galactic? I'm not going to dump it, by the way. I am going to trim as it goes off, but I'm going to hold it and show you what I have right here on the show. I have over 2,000 shares right now, and I'm going to continually buying more and more as I get money from the video. So tonight, we have a world premiere on my music channel, which is where the Virgin Galactic video is going to be. And if you click up here, that will take you to the video for tonight's premiere. Or you can look below in the description. It'll also be in the description. What it will bring you to is this page, this video here. This is what we're going to do with Virgin Galactic, all right? Let me share this with you. This is, let me give it to you. Hang on, I'm on the wrong one. I need to go to this page. There you go. There you go. That's the video for Virgin Galactic. That will tell you all about how I'm going to buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic, all right? But tonight's premiere, to warm this up before this comes out, is this here. I am, excuse me, I am doing a music video in my studio, Beatles music, and this is While My Guitar Gently Weeps. So, as I make this video now in the live chat, I am posting the link so everyone can go there and like it and join in tonight for the premiere after the closing bell. You can go above my head. Let me just come back to this image here. Just click up there and that will take you to the video for tonight. You can join in and be part of it. And the reason why I'm mentioning this video is, as my music channel starts to develop, then I can, when I release the Virgin Galactic video, it will do so much better. That's the point of warming this up. And we're about to go into some Christmas songs as well. Every day through December, I'm releasing a world premiere, and I'm hoping that they'll do well. The channel will explode, and when I release Virgin Galactic, it'll absolutely explode. And the money I make from it, I will buy Virgin Galactic shares. There you go. Are you ready? Are you in? Are you part of the Virgin Galactic army? On my channel, we call ourselves the Lucasades. We're all a family. We're live here 10 hours a day. If you'd like to be part of it, look below the video and there is the membership link. You can be a member. You can also call in live to the show. I invite anyone at Virgin Galactic to call into my show. You can do that through Discord. The link for that is also below the video in the description. All right, have a wonderful day. Hopefully you'll join me tonight for the live premiere. Hopefully you will. It should be a fun evening. And as I say, it's all to promote my music channel, which can promote the Virgin Galactic movie. There it is. And the link is below as well as I just clicked above my head. All right, that's it as we get ready to take off next year when we see Virgin Galactic go to $10 a share in January, February. And then as we go throughout the year, I anticipate, and next year, end of next year into 2024, see $100 a share for Virgin Galactic. All right, until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. There we go. Get rid of the ticker, and I am done. That's me for today. I'm trying to get rid of the ticker. Why wouldn't it go away? Oh, it's gone now. There you go. Okay. That's SPC8. Right, I'm done, folks. I'm done. Extended show today. All I do is facts. I speak on what I know. Facts. What's going on? I'm reading all this information here. Reviewed by Shannon Martin, licensed insurance agent. While you can certainly credit Tesla for Elon Musk is business savvy, he can't take credit for inventing the electric car, and that's correct. He didn't. Nor did he invent any of the next generation battery something like that using cars today. That's right. Elon Musk did not start Tesla. Got a lot of debates going on here. Excellent song, said Sid. Thank you, Sid. PayPal must no longer hold a stake in PayPal. He accepted his position. George Harrison, that's right. According to Barron's, Musk owns 50% of SpaceX. Forbes places his ownership more specifically in the 48% range. Musk retains absolute control over SpaceX and his business operations. Okay, I think we're all done for now, folks. Thank you very much for being here. I'm going to get to work and edit these videos. So much for my rumors. Churchy said, I rest my case. All right, that's it from me. Let me do Day Trader of the Day. We're going to do that right now. Let's have a quick look. 209 through the show. We did it. 214 now. We smashed it. Fantastic. We smashed it. Right, we've got lots of videos to make. 11 o'clock. I've got 3 hours. Blimey, I've got a lot of work to do. Let's wrap it up then. Okay, everyone, Day Trader of the Day. I am up. Whoops, I am up 1.1%. There you go. I'm up 1.1%. I'll post that on the score. If anyone is EXPR, be careful. A VWAP pullback, cup and handle forming. I love all those chart things. Cup and handles. It's like going out into the clouds and seeing Superman in the clouds. I love it. Nothing against Ed Nevis, of course. I love his skill at chart reading is phenomenal. It's just not the way I invest, but I appreciate everything he says and all his value. That's why I always mention going to his channel. All right, okay, up 1.1%. Ready? I'm going to put a timer on the screen, and then we're going to get out of here. I've got some videos to make. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Up 1.1. I've been beaten by Stephen Lewandowski. Is up 1.5. Sid is up 1.2. So Stephen is still in the lead. 1.5 is still the lead from Mike. Oh, Ian Jackson takes it with 2.33. He smashes it. Anybody else? Church is down 1.02. Looks like we have a winner. Looks like down 7.69. Crag, ouch. We've all had days. I've had days been down 11, 12%. I get it. But it looks like Ian Jackson. Ian Jackson's been the winner quite a few times. If anyone's paid that sort of attention. Thank you for your honest trade, Ian Jackson. Give him a thumbs up and give him the sound effects. Awesome stuff. Yeah, I've had days like that as well. Bloody hell's right. Ian Jackson got lucky. Well, you say that. Right, that's it from me. Can someone say roll the credits? I've got to get out of here. I've got lots of videos to make. Hopefully you'll join me all for the live premiere tonight. Been an amazing day. Absolutely phenomenal. Really, really great. Right, I'm going to roll the credits. Let's see who took part. Let's see who became a member. And here we go. Stars of the show. Thank you for your support. Oh, we got a couple people there. Now remember, the subscriptions is only the public subscriptions. Many people could subscribe and not be mentioned. Followers, JD Roik over there on on Twitch. If you now subscribe to me using Amazon Prime, it's free. You will actually be in our free prize draw every single first Friday of the month. Thank you, JD Roik. Subscriptions, Michael Rowley. There was many more than that. Hi all, Running Diary. You come right at the end of the show. I can't believe it. You've missed one hell of a show today. Lot gone on. Anyway, we've got the world premiere of my music video tonight. Hopefully you'll be there. I'm glad you just popped in. I can give you the link right now. Here is. There is the link. This is the video tonight. This is it right here. I have already 14 likes on it. Absolutely amazing. So please click the like button here. Whoops-a-daisy. There it is. 14 likes. See that there, look. And more importantly, not only you got to watch it, but down here, the comments, leave a comment here. Oh, you can't quite see it. It's off the screen, guys. And this, never mind. The comments are below here in the video. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you all there tonight. But that's it from me. You're great, man. You're great, man. God bless. Mario, thank you ever so much indeed. I hope you'll become a member of our channel sometime. Be part of the family so I can give you all the gifts that you get as a member. Just a couple of bucks a month is the cheapest entry level. Here's the members only. Oops. I'm running out of time. Invite to join. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm giving it in the chat. Take care of yourselves and each other. I've never missed. Here we go. Bye-bye for now.